this is lit. Yo, I can't wait.
I cannot wait.
Woo.
Yo, finally, they can't fuck this shit up,
Yo, they
bro.
cannot. Finally, we got to lay up in.
All right, we didn't get Zion. You know, that's cool. We get RJ, though.
Yo, you know
it's
what?
right there.
It's crazy because I was looking, I was like, you know what? The only reason RJ ain't the number one pick is because of Zion.
Exactly.
You feel me?
Any other draft, he'd be the number one pick.
Exactly.
Yo,
you know what I'm saying?
I can't wait.
Good.
It's so weird that, like, finally he's going to do the right thing.
Finally,
like,
bro. God damn.
Fam, how many benches? We see so many benches.
Oh, my God, bro.
My nigga.
Yo, let's go. Let's get it. Oh, my God. I'm hype.
You know how many times we watch it, like, these niggas just like draft some random white guy that got no talent or whatever.
Yo, he's 7'8".
RJ, bro.
Yo, let's go.
Piece by piece, brick by brick. You know what I'm saying? It takes a village.
I fucks with it. I fucks with the vision.
All right, they start right now. Yo, Knicks, we getting, oh shit, we back, baby. Knicks. Yeah, let's go Knicks.
And with the third pick in the draft,
let's fucking go, nigga.
The New York Knicks select Michael Sal Anthony,
what?
5'7" shooting guard from the Staten Island Community College.
Who?
Thank you.
Who the fuck is this guy?
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, what the fuck?
Who?
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, what the fuck? Get the fuck out of here, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
Yo, what the fuck?
The fuck? This guy is trash.
Yo, throw some stuff on the fucking field. Yo, who the fuck? Yo, who the fuck out? Yo, who the fuck is RJ? We were promised RJ.
We want RJ. We want RJ.
We want RJ.
We want RJ. We want RJ.
Yo,
fuck shit. Fucked up, man. Fuck this shit.
We're gonna go live to
fuck this nigga.
Michael Sal Anthony, who is exhilarated in the green room.
Yo, shut the fuck up.
Let's see what he has to say about this whole
tell me to be quiet. I don't care if it's a lot.
Yeah, you know, thank you, Ramona. I just, I'm really glad that I can be a team player, you know. You know, I just heard, you know, the best way to get some money is playing basketball. So, you know, money means that I can get bundles from Julio. Maybe if I'm courtside every night, he'll see me and he'll show up at the Garden. Maybe I'll offer him a suite or something. Like, you know, it used to be I just offer him blowjobs and he would give me a hot bag. But now I got more leverage on him. You know what I'm saying? So it's a beautiful thing. It was great to shake the commissioner's hand. They were a little clammy. You know, I think he might be one of those Jewish guys. So Staten Island, how we feel about those guys over there. But you know, that's neither here nor there. I'm just great. I'm very thrilled. You know what I mean? To be chosen by such a prestigious organization. You know what I mean? And fuck.
Is everything all right? Is everything all right, sir? Are you?
Man, my fucking guts are starting to hurt. Oh man,
he's a dope fiend.
Oh fuck. God, my guts hurt. Oh my God.
We've just received breaking news that Michael Sal Anthony has injured his left gut.
Come on!
In the draft. This is amazing. Even for the Knicks, this is incredible. Terrible news. Terrible news. Wow. Looks like another season of futility for the Knicks. You hate to see it.
Shit. Still better resigning than Allen Houston. To the drop. Yeah. Woo, look at that. Off the dome. Acapulco. Okay? We killing it like we're DR. Hey, what's up? It's episode 163 of the world's most not even the most dangerous podcast. We're only dangerous if you're pussy.
Yeah, that's right.
Or y'all, if y'all listen to this in your headphones and you survived 163 episodes, I don't want to say you're the greatest generation,
you know what I'm
but
saying?
you are the greatest generation.
You are.
All right?
Fuck them Normandy niggas.
When was the last time Normandy had a hit?
You know what I'm saying? Niggas storming the beach. What beach you storming? We stormed Orchard Beach.
Once. Stormed Orchard Beach 5 times.
At least.
If you ever went to Orchard Beach in your boxers, and not even name brand boxers,
That's right.
the cheap ones from Target.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
When your girl see you in them, she's like, oh, this nigga broke, but he got good dick.
Yeah.
Listen.
If you never dove into that fucking nasty ass neon green water wearing Conway boxes, nigga, that was 110% polyester.
Let them know.
You know what I'm saying?
Let them know.
Faded glory boxers, nigga.
If you ever said, fuck it, I am not taking the bus from Section 5, I am walking down I-95.
Fuck that.
All these drivers can suck my dick.
With this cooler, nigga.
You know what it is.
Fuck that.
Walking on the cylinder, and they're like, bah, get off the highway.
Fuck y'all, going to the beach, nigga. Fuck that.
Fuck y'all.
Yo, and I got a pot of rice and beans, nigga. Suck my dick.
You know what I'm saying? Or my Spanish, or my Latinos out there with a porcelain plate and a pot of spaghetti.
You know what I mean?
That's not appropriate beach food, but then y'all do what y'all do.
Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Get a little sand in this shit. Fucking nigga just exfoliate your teeth.
Yo, why you got your TT Kyrie in the fucking boombox? She's old.
And she got a thong on. What she got a thong on? She's 58.
Damn, respect those yeeks. They seen those. They saw the moon landing. Yo, it's your favorite podcast. It's the Bodega Boys. We are wilding. You know, there's 160 episodes.
Yo,
congrats
wow.
on us making it to 160 episodes. You know what I'm saying?
Gang.
We are out here.
You know what I'm saying?
We are out here.
You know what I'm saying?
Just doing what we gotta
Winning.
do. I mean, at the end of the game. Sorry about that. You know, listen. It's important that, you know, you can stay consistent.
That's true. That's
Shout
true.
out to everyone that fucks with the podcast,
You know
everyone
what I
that
mean?
listens to the podcast, everyone that put people onto the podcast. I mean, you know, you just
Yo.
doing God's work. You're doing
Yo.
God's work. As always, we like to point out, if you like this podcast, hey, you know what you should try? Listen,
to the other ones.
we got a friend. His name is David. And I mean, like, you gotta support your friends.
Yeah, that's right.
He like, this is embarrassing. Like, it's not really a SoundCloud rapper, but he started like a network.
Yeah.
It's called Showtime.
Yeah.
It's kind of small.
Yeah.
But as a favor, we said to him, like, we're going to do a show for him,
Yeah.
like Mondays and Thursdays at 11 p.m. If you got to
Cool.
check it out, you know what I'm saying?
saying?
Just do the homie a favor.
Yeah.
Like, it's no pressure and shit. You know what I
not
mean?
like that at all. You know what
Like,
I'm saying?
it's not the biggest channel, but it's coming along.
It's
He
coming
got
along.
some other people to make shows.
They got some.
Support
some
black
stuff.
owned businesses.
Yeah.
I mean, Showtime is 100% owned by black people.
That's right.
100%.
I'm saying 1,000%.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
oh,
saying? Also, if you watch the shit, you know what I'm saying? He'll get promoted to, like, you know what I'm saying, CBS, and then we get promoted to be presidents of Showtime.
There you
That's the
go.
way it works.
His name is
You know what I'm saying?
David Nevins. It's
know what I'm saying?
he's French Creole. So,
Yeah,
you know, be sure to check that out.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Also, I mean, if you like the podcast and the Showtime show, be sure to check out bodegahive.com where you can see us live at your city.
Oh, wow.
That's right. If we've ever slandered your whole ass city, guess what? We're coming there.
We're coming there,
Mad
B.
yayed up
You know what I'm
on
saying?
stage. We're going to be
know what I
talking
mean?
gibberish. And you know what? You don't want to miss the shit because everyone's going to be on your Instagram like, yo, I'm at the Bodega Boy
Yeah,
show. You're gonna be like, oh, shit, bro. That was tonight.
Yo, bro, I fucked up. I missed it.
Fucked up.
I'm a piece of shit.
Yo, we're gonna do every drug that's popular in every city. So we're gonna go to
Right.
Miami, do Mac cocaine. We're gonna do
lean in Houston.
You know what I'm saying? Wild lean in Houston. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go to Austin and do acid. You know what I'm saying?
In LA, we're going to do Scientology.
That's right.
That's
and then
right.
in San Antonio, we're gonna do our
We're going
taxes.
to fuck a horse. To Little Nas X. How about that? I got the horses in the back.
Oh, that's Dallas.
I got the horses in the black. Never seen two black man dingoes like this.
I like the horses in the black.com is where it's at.
Are we popping enough that if one of us got caught up in bestiality charges, it would not affect the brand whatsoever?
I think the brand is that reached that level of strength.
Which one of us could get caught up in bestiality charges?
I
I
think
think
both-
if I got
either of
caught
us.
up, it'd be disappointing, but with you, it'd be kind of hot.
Yeah.
You got a lot of forgiveness. You got a wife and 4 kids.
I'd be like, yo,
you can't do wrong.
I was like, yo, we're just trying to spice things up. You know
Like
what I'm
literally, if someone you just got caught in a hotel room with like a dead body, people would find it whimsical.
saying? Like, I didn't even know he got here. Oh my
Whoa.
god. Oh man.
Whoa!
Barrow Jr.
No, it'd just be you. With a
Did
dead,
you asphyxiate him?
It'd just be you with like the dead body. You're like, guess she's not paying for checkout, and everyone be like,
Hooray!
meanwhile they just carry me out like Cuba Gooding Jr. Go to court, my tires all fucking wrinkled.
Yo, what did
I
that
did not
nigga
kill
do?
him. He grabbed a titty at a bar.
Okay, that's what he did. Okay,
That's what they
because
say
I'm
he
hearing
did.
100 different
Low
stories.
key, I think he got arrested because he went to a bar that's located between 34th Street and 42nd Street. Which, listen, if you're in New York City, that's an offense.
Gee, listen,
Why are you partying there, my guy?
do not do that.
No, he said that a lady said he grabbed a titty.
Okay.
Now, we believe all victims. Also, you know Cuba Gooding Jr.
Cuba
be
be
getting
lit.
schmizzy.
He be
You can
litty.
see he be getting litty
Fam.
to titty.
Fam.
All right?
I thought Tracy Morgan was wilding and shit.
He definitely looked
but
like
that nigga be wilding.
He looked like a nigga that would playfully be like, bloop, to a titty.
Oh, yeah,
Thinking
all
that
day.
shit, bloop, nigga flick your nipple
Yeah.
and shit. That
With-
shit hurt mad OD.
with the bucket that used to have a bottle of Moet
Yo,
in
I'm
it.
Buckethead. Give me the drums.
Yeah. Nigga start drumming on his head and shit with no shirt on. You're like, yo, fam, you made Stone Dogs. You don't got to do this.
We in this Matt Smack with Miller Rock. Go radio, go radio, go Snow
radio,
Dogs, go Snow Dogs, go Red Tail. Did we talk about him last? I feel like we talked about it last podcast because it sounded like the same exact jokes we did last podcast.
Did it? Is it possible?
Fuck it, y'all getting the same jokes. You didn't pay for this shit. Nigga.
I think nobody knew what he did last week.
I
Or was
mean-
it immediately like, yo, he grabbed the titty?
Listen, you know we
Reports say Cuba Gooding Jr. grabbed the titty.
every week the light gets brighter. Okay, shout out to the 144,000 that's part of the Bodega Hive. Wink,
You know what I'm
wink.
saying?
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Y'all live in heaven with us. The rest of y'all niggas gonna be living paradise with fucking tigers and wearing gat khakis.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Think about that. Marinate on that.
You know what they never said? They never told Jehovah's Witnesses if they're gonna still have to do the knock work in paradise.
Ooh.
Imagine that's a wild buzzkill. Imagine you chilling in paradise. It's like 9 a.m. You gotta wake up.
You gotta wake up.
Tell other niggas like, yo, we going to paradise. They're like, nigga, we here.
We're here. What do we do? What do we do? Convert a tiger, nigga?
They
Like,
gonna start having recipes and shit and shit. Like, yo, would you like to make a nice tiger culotta?
yo, you just catch me under a tree, like rolling an L with a watchtower page and shit. Like, yo, fuck it, nigga. We in paradise. It's lit.
Also, why did you know what? Why Jehovah's Witnesses? Wait, hold on.
Well, we got the J-Dub report on Techie. Get
They
ready.
missed a chance because there's a great song they could have used because they always talk about paradise.
Uh-huh.
You guys remember this song? Almost Paradise from Footloose.
Oh man.
There's literally 2 piano chords and a guitar strum.
Yo,
How
listen.
coked up were people in the 80s?
Fam.
Niggas, we're done.
Yo.
Yo.
The engineer died. We're done.
Fuck it.
Who's gonna master this shit? Who cares? I don't know.
Also, like, okay, you saw with the NBA draft, none of the people that were drafted knew who Outkast was. That's how young they are.
Yeah.
So
they're all
listen,
not. It's wild because
bro, all we gotta do is become a producer and take mad 80s songs and throw the wild 808 trap beat underneath the
Dog,
shit.
Fam, you know how many fucking kids? My kids think that the beat for Uproar is an original beat. And I
Yeah,
was just
see?
like, I'm like, no. I was like, play the original. He's like, my son was like, that shit is whack. He's like, he's not shooting him in the head like a buffalo. I don't like this
Fuck
shit.
that. Think about. Don't you want to hear? Don't you want to hear my man Future under this shit? Hold on a second. YouTube, stop it.
Stop with the fucking
ads,
pre-rolls,
bro.
man. I ain't even with this shit, bro.
You've been around for 20 years. Nobody's clicked on any of the ads. Like, stop that shit, bro.
Niggas, yo, I wonder if there's a counter up on the skip
probably-
ad button.
Yeah.
Like, this shit gotta be in the trillions, nigga. That's
Imagine Future on this shit right here,
like,
bro.
woo, let's go. Got the Molly, and I'm driving.
But you just gotta flip it, and you gotta be like to a disrespectful girl because he brought her to the club, and he's like, "Who gonna drive you home
I'm gonna
tonight?
drive you home, babe.
All right.
Sensational.
You won't cry in the Bugatti." What's the statement? It's like, would you rather cry in a Bugatti or cry in an Uber?
Listen, I would
Probably an Uber because you maintain your agency. Like,
yeah, also, that's true. Yeah,
Crying in a Bugatti sounds mad overrated and shit.
I'm realizing I'm a thought because I would rather cry in a Bugatti.
You are a thought. I respect you. You're my guy, but you are a thought for real. Because I see you right now, and I was like, damn. Like, if some chick like 2 years ago had just like came through and bought you wild Versace and chains, you've been out. You've been like, I'm off this comedy shit. You've been like Pool Boy from Mad TV. Show what you can do, Pool Boy. This nigga spending all morning at Soho House in a wild banana thong.
That's a dead ass economy in DR, B. Like, y'all niggas know about the Saki Punkies, my nigga. Like, yo, dudes out there, if 90 Day Fiance was realistic, everybody on there would be Dominican.
90 Day Fiance is just what you call niggas that's in the army. Yo, mom flying out. All right, take care of my charger. Oh, shout out to the troops.
You know what I'm saying?
You can't really say anything bad about the troops.
Nah,
it's weird.
Thoughts and prayers.
Not really thoughts and prayers. You gotta be like,
Salute to the
respect
troops.
you for your service and shit.
Yo,
Like,
that's wild because I met a dude. I left my therapist session and there was a dude in there and I had this same shit on and he was like, Merrill? Like from Jesus Merrill from the show?
Yeah.
Yo, bro, I'm a huge fan, bro. Yo. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Kyle. You know what I'm saying? He's
sounds like a military name.
You know what I'm saying? He was a special operations sniper.
That nigga in Call of Duty.
And he was like,
This
yo.
nigga lied to you.
Nah, but he had on the full kit, and he was just like, "Yo," and it wasn't no stolen valor shit because he was kicking shit. And I asked, and niggas were like,
How
"Yeah,
would
nah,
you
this is
know?
real."
How would you know?
Because
You didn't know.
I asked military people. I was at a wedding with half white people the other day, so this came up in conversation or whatever.
He was
And
around,
I
he was
hit that
around
nigga-
the unwashed.
Yeah, I know. They had mad like Duck Dynasty beards and shit. It
Yeah.
was wild. It was wild. But then I asked them, and they're like, "Yeah, nah, he's legit." And then but homie, I felt mad corny saying it, but I was just like, I had to bounce. I was just like, "Yo, thank you for your service." And he was just like, "All right, bro." Like he tapped me
Wow.
up and just.
See, you
Apparently, young veterans don't appreciate that, or I,
mean,
don't
it
know.
depends.
Maybe it was just Kyle, but yo, shout out to Kyle. Yo, you doing your thing, man.
I mean, it depends what the service was. Or, you know.
I mean, this dude was like, yo, I got deployed to Afghanistan 3 times. I'm a Marine. I'm like active combat, like, you know what I'm saying? Green zone shit. Niggas got murked, all that.
I mean, no disrespect, but I mean, I survived the Battle of Skakey twice.
True. That's
You know what I'm
true.
saying?
That was-
I survived the Battle of Edenwald
Yeah.
versus Baychester.
Yeah.
Y'all niggas don't. Yo, was y'all there?
You know what I mean?
233rd versus 241st? Huh?
Yeah.
Niggas had 6 of us backed into a house. Oh, yeah, it was a box cutter. We survived that shit.
That's right.
I don't hear nothing about Fallujah, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Nigga, I am a vet.
Gaza stripped his dick, nigga.
You know
How
what
about
I'm
the
saying?
Tremont strip?
Okay.
Stupid. You know what I'm saying?
All my niggas had was a Cormega tape on the A train.
That's it.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? You know, you niggas chase you into the building. You think nobody that they don't got the key to the
You
building
lying
and shit.
flat on the roof and shit, hoping niggas don't see you.
Yeah, and then they run up on the roof. The alarm goes off and shit. Everybody starts scrambling and shit. They accidentally somebody gets thrown off a roof. Accidentally.
You inside Shorty's house. He like, you not leaving? You've been there for 4 hours. You like, nah, my man's coming on the train.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, that's really your cousin? Yo, tell that nigga stand down. Oh.
Yo.
It's the problematic light. It lights a light inside your life and tells you are fucked up.
Yeah, low-key, the problematic light is, to quote KRS-One, edutainment. You know what I'm saying?
Is it?
It's edutainment.
Or is it just a way for us to casually cover our ass after we say things that we should really be better than saying? Woo,
yeah.
Look at Loophole. It's like when KFC Barstool was like, yo, shout out to you for saying shout outs to do like weird transitions on your show. And I was like, shut the fuck up. All right, shout out to him. So anyway, keeping it moving. Shout out to my Yankees.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Something like 26 games with a home run.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. Way too early in the season for that shit to matter. But I feel like at the end of the season, we're either gonna have to face Houston or the Twins.
Yeah.
We got y'all. We're gonna have a problem with Houston.
Took 2 out of 3 out of, you know what
That's
I'm
all it
saying?
takes.
To using fuck
That's all it takes.
Out of here.
Oh my God, you know how great a Yankee parade would be? Because it wouldn't be us watching it. We'd be on the float
Yo.
with CC, 30-degree weather.
God.
My nipples is harder than fucking
Yo,
Dorothy
I don't
Hamill's
even
toes,
care.
nigga. Listen,
Yo, I'm out
got
there,
no shirt on.
Nigga, I'm out there real thotty just wearing a Dominican flag as a garment.
Nigga, I got
You know
on
what I'm
strap off
saying?
for no reason. Backwards.
feel me?
Like
Yo.
he bent over, like suck my dick from
You
the
know what
back.
I'm
And was
saying?
like, yo.
Fuck out of here. I'm sitting on Gary Sanchez shoulders, B.O. sitting on my shoulders
Nice.
like a totem pole of Dominicanness.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying? Bate.
There you go. Speaking of 2 guys sitting on our shoulders, shout out to everyone. Happy Pride. Still Pride Month.
yeah.
I didn't know Pride was a month. I thought this shit was a week.
No, it's a month.
Can't get mad at it.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Pride. Gang, gang. We out here.
Who here is like it's too long? Hey, whoa. No, but I mean, you can't. That's not even your battle. Like, how is that affecting you?
Like, fam, come on.
I'm not even. I got mad the other day because I saw a whack Pride flag.
That's the shit that gets me tight.
That shit got me tight.
Because I'm like, yo, you ain't even,
You didn't invest in
you
this
ain't
shit.
even
You not
try, bro.
Listen, I don't understand things, so I think Pride is like gang shit. So I'm like, yo, you're not repping your shit right. I'm like, yo, if you was a Crip, you'd have a proper Crip flag. They had like the paper rainbow shit.
Nah,
I'm like,
bro.
nigga, get the fabric
Get
shit.
fabric shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Polyester, nigga.
I was about to G-check niggas like, yo, you really,
Yo, you really bang?
You really bang that LGBTQ shit?
Huh? What's the
extra
codes?
letter? What's the extra letters? What's the A stand for?
Huh?
Niggas like ally. I'm like, not valid.
Nah, you're not valid, nigga. $1.50.
They're like, thanks for being an ally because you'd be less violent. I was like, nah, fuck that.
Nah,
That's all
fuck
we
that.
know.
Protect the LGBTQI hive at all costs. I just turned that shit into one word, nigga. What's up?
Is that the new? You know what? The New York Times just did an article on Hate to See It. They did a whole article on the term of the summer, hate to see it, which means what? You can no longer say hate to see
Yeah,
it.
you can't say it there.
So we need to make a nonsense term and trick the New York Times and think it's a real thing. Should we make a thing? I'll be like, yo, because you know what I'm saying? I came through with Shorty and then I hit her in the Elchikipia. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
This motherfucker over here, Elchikipia, you know
Yo,
what I'm
I see
saying?
you with the, nigga, I see you with the chains. You look at Elchikipia out there,
You know what I'm
nigga.
saying?
I see you. You get El Chicopia, I'm getting El Chicopia, nigga. This is El Chicopia out of this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Use that shit randomly in tweets and let's fool these white people.
Watch.
That's
watch.
right.
Yeah.
That's all we do. All we do is scam.
Reverse COINTELPRO.
All right. Listen, we've
Use their own tricks against
been
them.
playing a game of Uno against white people for too long.
That's
They
right.
had slavery and all that shit. Now we hit them with a reverse. Draw
reverse.
4. Wild
Yeah.
card, the color's blue. Reverse, draw 4. Wild card, color's red. Reverse, Uno.
Hold that. Stupid.
And don't tweet at the Uno account because they don't know shit even though they made the game.
You tight.
It was like, black people don't know how to play our game. Shut the fuck up.
Shut up.
Shut the fuck up.
Everybody got different Uno rules, stupid. That's the rules.
Wait till the people that play Monopoly find out you put $500 on free parking. They go, what?
What?
That's not how the shit is played. I was like, so wait, y'all don't put money on niggas' books when they in jail? They was like, what? They're like, what?
Bro, what? What?
I'm like, yo, oh shit, it's conjugal visits, man.
Yo,
Like,
shit, yo.
Give us 5 minutes to the closet.
I was watching Smack the Toys R Us. Well, not Toys R Us because that shit is defunct.
Wow.
Were
Were you at Lionel City, City Kids? Kid City? Were you really watched? Was it 1993?
Yo,
Were you outside of Co-op City?
they got Monopoly.
Were you at KB Toys?
KB Toys. They got F.A.O. Schwartz tearing it up on the piano.
I
Like,
think I
yo.
gotta take the rich shit. Remember Big? Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah.
He was like, hey guys, I'm dancing on the piano. By the way, I had sex with a full woman yesterday.
Yo, what's
She
up?
knows I'm 13.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I gotta go pay rent.
Now what?
Also, the idea of a kid working at a toy company is stupid.
He's mad dumb.
You know what kind of toys would your kids be making?
Yo, like, Daddy has toys in the basement.
Yo, let's make Paw Patrol with Dad's head. He's in charge of marijuana.
Yo, my kids are the worst because they draw, like, they draw pictures of me.
Yeah.
And, like, I'm like, all right, which one is me? And they're like, the ones with the little spiky hair. I'm like, why you drawing me with spiky hair? They're like, because you don't have hair, Daddy.
Wow.
I was like, wow. Wow.
So I know you have to fight your kids, but no one said you have to wait for them to be a teenager. Just like lump one of your kids up and take to others. Like, yo. He's like, what's for dinner? Ribs, nigga. Ah.
Yo, my daughter coming up to me like, yo, Daddy's belly. You got big belly, Daddy. I'm like,
Like,
yo,
where?
I'm like, well, I got big wallet too, stupid, and I'll close it if you don't shut the fuck up.
He's like, yo, you want to know about equality? Nigga just slap box. I'm gonna pull up to your house. Nigga just slap boxing with his daughter in a cul-de-sac. Watch the left. Yo, watch her left.
Yo, chill.
Nigga, she is tagging you. What the fuck? She is a toddler.
Yo, she bit you, nigga.
Chill. Yo, chill.
Chill, yo.
I tell you, chill.
Chill,
She's your father.
chill.
Yo, stop kicking him in the head.
Yo, stop. I think he's unconscious.
Heather's like, if he dies, he dies. I'm like, what the
Yo.
Why she kick him in his head with his own Versace Timbs? What's going on here in New Jersey?
Yo. It's a lawless country. Yo, shout out to the cop that pulled me over and shit the other day.
What I love about this podcast is there's this whole perception of life. People think I do. And it's like, no. Everything that's fucked up you think I do, Miro does with 4 kids in New Jersey.
Yo, them shits was like, shout out to my kids, yo, because them little niggas was like, get out of jail free.
cards?
Oh my God. Yo, the cop pulled over, I was ready to talk cash money shit. Shorty pulls up, she's like, sir, you ran a red light. Do you know why you're being pulled over? I was like, yeah, because I ran through a yellow light. The guy behind me, I don't want to slam on the brakes. I got the kids in the car, whatever. And she promptly asked me for my license and registration. I was like, oh shit, I don't got my Jersey license. I got my New York joint. So I gave it to her. And then she came back and I was like, and then my fucking Meryl Ivy goes to me and goes,
Hold on.
Daddy.
Wait. Stop. If you're gonna have 4 fucking kids, you're gonna learn how to pronounce Roman numerals. You're not saying Ivy, all right? He's not a fucking Batman villain. Say the shit right. Meryl Ivy. Nigga, this ain't the Super Bowl.
Meryl the Fourth, Meryl LXXVII.
Meryl's kids cannot be reproduced in express audio or visual without written consent.
Yo, fam, no bullshit. This fucking 3-year-old child turns around to me and goes, yo, Daddy, we going to jail?
Yo.
I was like, we will if you don't shut the fuck up, nigga.
If you're watching this right now, please press 1 if you would like to see a reboot of Life with Miro and his kids. Life. Your daddy, we breaking out today. This is all the Miro's kids trying to prison break with all the Miro's kids, and I got a map on my back, and I gotta break. I'm like, yo, fam, like, I'll be like, yo, no bullshit, my nigga. I'm just trying to break one nigga out, like. You bring all of them?
I'm like, yo, they size order, they small, they fit through the pipe.
Nigga.
It's cool.
Nigga.
The little one can go through the sewage pipe.
Fam, I got this. It took me 5 years to get this tattoo on my back. Are you serious, my nigga? Like, we gotta break out tonight.
Yo,
them niggas, the little one's crying. She got diapers on. How we breaking out?
Yo,
also, how you got a baby in jail?
Nigga got a baby in Supermax. Yo,
also, how's she running the blood?
Yo, she in solitary because she broke 50 in a fucking CO.
How she running OBC or only Bloods could control? What the fuck? OBCC. Yo, she running Otis Burrow. Like, yo, Nori said like she's the OG.
That nigga's never been in jail. I'm jail king.
How she not 5 months, but she 5 stars?
She's He's like, yo, niggas been seeing me jail since 13 months. What?
She take off her. She's like, yo, gag.
Yeah.
My diaper's dirty. She opened that. She got like a brick, mad scalpels and shit. I'm like, how?
Just bust open the diapers, mad drugs. And shit.
I'm like, yo, now I'm banging with you.
Fuck
that.
Yo, you know what I'm saying?
I'm
Do the
on
mad rapper
Denzel,
skit. Do the mad rapper skit like, yo, you know what I'm saying? I had to fuck with that. I had to fuck with her. You know what I'm saying? She had like 45 soaps.
Yo,
50
shout out to all my nietas.
Oh shit.
That's a throwback.
That's a throwback, yeah.
You know, nothing gonna be sadder than being with a gang that was banging. That's not banging no more. Shout out to all my nietas. Shout out to all my DDP Dominicans don't play.
shout out to
Okay,
DDP.
you guys got run off the map with the Trinitarios. It's sad
that's
to see
right,
it.
yeah.
Hate to see it. Who else? Who else is not? Zulu Nation.
Zulu Nation.
Remember when Zulu Nation was a
Wow.
gang and not just niggas breakdancing?
Yeah, no, it was.
Uh-huh.
It's literally legit was because
Yeah.
and the Latin Kings and the Zulu Nation was cool, so they used to like stack together and shit like that.
And niggas have all the beads and shit. Yeah.
Wow. Shout to the gangs.
Because they used to. I remember when like the Bloods. Also, shout out to my man Sherm the Worm, who kind of started the Bloods. But he was like, "Yo, you wanna get jumped?" I was like, "Nah, nigga, just say I'm with Blood."
Yeah. Why do I have to do that?
He was like, "Yo, you gotta get jumped in," or like, I was like, "Nah, that nigga, I know you. We went to elementary school together. Just make me a Blood. What the fuck?"
Shout to my man Dwayne from 219. Shout to 219.
219. You know what I'm saying? I
Uh-huh.
represent. I recognize y'all niggas because y'all got a subway station.
That's right. Shout to,
You know what I'm saying? A train
219
station,
gang,
excuse me, not
you know what I mean? Same shit. He's like, yo, you want to get jumped into the Crips? I was like, nigga, we're friends. I
Yeah.
can't just like do the handshake with y'all niggas. Like, that's it.
People don't remember. Like, do you remember? What was it? Onyx in New York. People who don't remember, there was a time when New York had no gangs at all.
Yep.
It was actually a point of pride that New York had no gangs. And I say this because they said it in one of the most famous songs ever. I'm sorry, this MacBook is a devil thing.
It's Babylon team.
You remember this song? Onyx, Walk in New York. Do you remember the fucking hook? Niggas in the boogie woogie. Now watch the hook. Cause you can't get away with this shit right here anymore.
We don't throw gang signs in New York. We just be on some shit in New York.
We don't throw gang signs in New York.
We just be on some shit in New York.
I mean, that was a good song.
New York City, shifty.
Throw down gritty. This is the part why this song could not air today. NYPD could suck my dick. Yo, you ever been in a club when that shit came on? Yo, the cops is coming through like, oh yeah?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, let me check for
All right,
warrants.
yeah. You want me to suck your dick, huh? Pull over to your right, you fucking jerk.
Yeah, I might actually do it.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I'm not gonna toss your salad. I'm gonna toss your car, you piece of shit. So why are we being pulled
my
over?
God,
Because
that's
you're fucking playing Onyx, you
Yeah,
jerk.
yeah.
Yeah. Fuck the cops, huh?
Fuck the cop.
Yeah.
NYPD can suck what?
Yeah, huh? Yeah.
Suck on this plane. Suck on this plunger, Abler.
Yeah.
Abler Luima. That's a very dated New York
Yo,
reference.
that's a deep
Don't
cut.
ever forget that. Never forget Yusuf Hawkins, Abner
Yup,
Luima,
yup.
and Amadou Diallo. That's right.
And Sean Bell.
And Sean Bell.
You know
That's
what I'm
right.
saying?
That's right.
You know what I mean? Those are the old school. You know what I'm saying? Niggas don't know. Niggas think cops just started killing niggas now. No, they've been doing it. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here.
Oh man. And Ramarley Graham, shout to the homie.
From all year, all day, BX all day. You know what I'm
BX all
saying?
day, you know what I'm
RIP to the
saying?
God.
Wow, we know a lot of people that got killed by cops.
Yeah. Funny.
Interesting. Interesting. It says if instead of reparations, the U.S. government should offer free therapy to all black people. How about that?
How about that?
How about that? Nah, they want you to stay a slave.
That's right, brother. That's right.
The reparations,
third
the
eye.
whole reparations thing. I think the problem with reparations is if they actually did a payout.
Let me stop you right there. Before you continue, I think the entire problem with the reparations thing is that they got Cory Booker speaking for niggas.
He's like, if you were going to pay people, you could pay me after I finger pop Rosario Dawson,
Yes, I love
which
her very
do
much.
every night.
Yes.
You want some of my knuckle?
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Who should be the face of that? Because I feel like Corey's not that guy.
You know, it shouldn't be. There shouldn't be a face of that because I think the forward-facing problem is if the United States ever pays out reparations, it allows racist white people to be like, and we are done,
And we're done here.
and racism's over.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nah.
I think the problem with reparations is built on the idea that the United States is a fair place, and that we've learned through the Trump administration is not. The game is rigged.
Come on, y'all.
Yeah.
This is not a meritocracy.
Whoa.
You know what I'm saying?
They're like, that's the part of the podcast I love when they stop talking that Bronx shit and they
You know
start
what I'm
talking
saying?
high level shit. Yeah.
Oh my God, go on, Chapo.
Oh my God! Look how smart they are. But no, it's just like
guys-
you would definitely see like people would be like, no, racism ended the day we paid out the reparations.
Niggas are marking it on their calendar.
Yeah.
It'll be like their Juneteenth.
If they paid out reparations, people would start using the N-word left and right.
Oh my God.
They'd be like,
You already
well,
know.
I paid to say it.
Yeah,
I paid to say it.
I paid my fair share.
My tax money paid for me to say the N-word.
Yeah,
And you'd
so
be like, oh shit,
fuck you.
loophole.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Would you rather have cash or the aforementioned 40 acres and a mule?
Well, I think the whole thing about reparations shouldn't just be like they have to change it into financial investments in the black community, which would be better than like cash, because like cash doesn't only goes through the black community but so many times. But if you like provide grants for people to start small businesses, write off student loans,
Facts.
you know what I'm saying, pay off like any health death people had and shit like
Pay
that.
all the motherfuckers that were unjustly incarcerated making craft products for pennies on the hour.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
There's different level. And then people are just like, well, what about me? I've never been to jail. How does that affect me? But it's just like, I was going to say it trickles down. Trickle down economics is not a real thing. And guess what? We are two guys from the Bronx. We know nothing about geopolicy or economics. So we're just talking shit. We're the Bodega Boys.
You know what I'm saying?
Do not retweet this and be like, we don't know what to talk about reparations. Because we don't. But we are the smartest niggas in the barbershop. So how you feel?
Stupid.
Okay.
We got to combine like 150,000 college credits.
Also, look how far we've gone by knowing nothing. Your fave could never.
They
Look at that.
wish.
They wish.
And we say these things with our chests unbothered.
Okay, nigga, you know Columbus had 5 boats when he came to America?
Yup.
The Nina, the Pinta, the Santa Maria, the Mama Sushi, and the
Yup.
La Marina.
That's right.
What's up?
That's right.
What's up?
Niggas didn't even know that.
First Captain Pio,
know what
like,
I'm
my
saying?
nigga, land, my nigga.
Land Ahoy, my nigga, right there.
Call in, man, what we're doing, Columbus, starring Pio.
Yo.
Look at me, I'm short and brown. I will prove the globe is round. Why are, oh my God, it is such a sin that we cannot watch our productions be brought to life. Actually, we can.
Yeah, we can.
Lin Manuel was like, this is genius.
Yo, let's do it.
Genius.
Let's
He does
do
on
it.
piano like, Stark ahoy, I think I see land. I know, baby. I fucking man. He lands with some mad hookahs and shit.
Yo, he's like, oh, puppy, oh, he's here, we here.
What is this land called?
Oh my God.
I deem this Mama Sushi.
Mama Sushi. Oh my God, the ass growing trees out here. Oh my God. Niggas just start eating ass. It's like a coconut. It's like
Yes.
shaped like ass. Like,
Niggas are starving. They're like, Captain Pio, we haven't found food for days. What can we eat? It's the ass tree. If you eat the ass, you live. It's a circle of life, but it's just ass. It's just mad niggas eating ass and shit.
Niggas eat the ass and then they fucking put like the ass juice under their eyes. Like, yo, you've been initiated into the ass eating clique.
Captain Pio, I see the native people. Their name is Choppy. Choppy. We are not horrors. We are Choppy Doras.
He's just like,
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
let's go to the fucking hotel. Let's stop playing.
Everyone's like, yo, this play is like mad racist against Dominicans. I was like, executive produced by the Camaro. Yeah.
They're like, oh my God, it's genius.
He's a genius, bro. He's a genius. I say this to you as a promise. You guys can hold me to this. I say this. Jesus nice with my chest and only a little drunk. Any asshole project Miro makes in the future, whether it's a hotel, a museum, a pyramid, whack-ass sneakers, or a clothing line, I
right.
will support you.
Likewise, my
Okay.
brother. We out here.
If you are doing a limited edition of Shakespeare in the Park in Botswana, I am flying out there. I am
fucking
there opening
doing
night.
it.
I'm bringing white roses. Okay,
My mans.
All right, we
if they make you the fucking villain in the next Tyler Perry
Let's
movie,
go. Let's
I'm be like,
go.
yo, this is a fucking tour de force. If you fucking fronting this man for us best leading man actor award for the Oscars, you a fucking fugazi, B. You out here front, you don't know cinema.
That's right. They're
Suck
like,
a dick.
Up next, Villain Sinclair. Jesus Nyson. Your arms are too short to slap box with God. I'm like, that's right, bitch. I threw your kids off the balcony. They show me in the audience like,
The winner for best lead actor in a dramatic role is Jesus, nice. Bro, I threw your baby off a balcony.
Let's fucking go. See, I'm like, yeah.
Woo, we out here.
Woo. Oh my God, so many people think. Oh man. I want to thank my man Kim Miro.
It's my nigga right there, BX
I'll see you right there. BX shook my dick from the back. Who else want to thank?
Niggas do the Natalie Cole, Whitney Houston gift, like.
I see you. Yo, Officer Johnson, remember you arrested me, you took a picture of me with your iPhone, you probably jerk off that, suck my dick from the back.
Cornball.
I hope every cop in NY in New York City gets shot. Y'all niggas can suck my dick. I don't care if I got this award. Y'all niggas is wild pussy. I'll fight anyone of you.
They don't even play music, they just play problematic like.
We gotta do a song and like we gotta do since we weren't in fucking Lion King.
Shame.
Problematic Light on its own. We gotta do some sort of movie where like the problematic light is the call home. It's like me and you, and like we lose our way and we're just wandering. It's like how do we find home? Somewhere out there.
Wait, I think I hear it.
Where we belong. What's that? It sounds like mommy.
That way.
Oh my God! Follow the problematic light.
Follow it. Let's go.
Problematic light. Let's go. Let's go.
It's like Bird Box but happy.
Mommy. In a world where two Bronx niggas got lost from their badass mama. Problematic light. Who plays our mother in this?
Our mother?
Yeah, we got the same mother. It's a Bronx. You've never seen a Dominican and a black kid have the same mother?
Oh,
Come
yeah.
on, bro.
Yeah.
Come on. We not from the Bronx?
I was like, come on, dog.
So, Dasha Polanco is our mother. Boom.
Pow.
Boom.
We in there. Yo, Dasha Holla. We out here.
She's smoking a blunt right now. Like,
right it.
I'm right now. Nigga, I'll come through right now, nigga.
Yo, for real? Y'all dead ass?
I'm right here.
I'm like, yo, we recorded the podcast last week.
Yeah.
So she texted me like, yo, we out?
Like, nah,
y'all not set?
Like tape delay.
That was last week.
Is there any lines or I'm just I'm just acapella in it? I'm like, it's the actual term is Acapulco?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Light boy, dark boy, y'all my kids.
Yo, I love y'all. I love y'all little niggas.
Yo. Who plays our father? Okay, so for your father, I guess who would play your father? Because they have to be an older Dominican guy.
I would love for it to just be who's the dude that was it? John Witherspoon, the guy that played Pops on the Wayans Brothers.
You have the black father? Is he doing the Dominican accent?
Doing the Dominican accent. I'm like, yo,
bang.
He be like, Papi, when you hit the toto, you gotta be like, bang, 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 bang.
Oh my God. So then mine is Stevie V. She was like, I was drunk. It was Sound Factory. A lot happened.
Shit would happen. You know how back in the day, like shit
that's what it was like. First of all, fuck y'all niggas. I'm not even that old. No, our mother's Edie Falco.
Yo, she's like, you guys are the what's wrong with
fuck
you?
you, ma.
What's wrong with you?
I'm a black guy on Long Island. I gotta take this. I'm going to Hot Topic.
Oh my God,
Matt, where's my fucking keys?
Oh my God. You guys are going nuts.
Ma, give me the front row ticket for the Knicks game. Me and Mero going. Steve Sharippa's outside.
Okay, should I get it from StubHub? I'm sorry. Oh my God.
We need you know how they make panic rooms where you could like beat up shit? We need to make a room where you can have a white mother and just call her a bitch. For all the ethnic people that never had that shit. And you can throw shit at her. And you could order what kind of white mother. If you want like a doting white mother, you want like a helicopter white mother. Yeah. You get like an Asian helicopter mother, a tiger mother. That's not. I can't say that. I can't say that. I can't say that. I'm just saying what I saw on Wikipedia. Listen, I'm on problem. People will be like, "Yo, you guys are problematic." We're not problematic. We just say things. Yeah, we literally just say things. We don't believe them or care about them. Yeah, no. Like we just
put it out there, and see how y'all react to it.
We are literally empty vessels selling our soul for capitalism. You understand that, right?
Yeah,
nigga, I don't feel strongly about shit.
Yeah, no,
nigga, I'll rally for Sudan or Chef Boyardee. It's whatever. Yeah, let's go.
You know what I'm saying?
Cut the check, nigga.
Yo.
Nah, help Sudan though.
Facts.
But see, that's all we could do on the podcast. Yeah. That's literally all you could do. Yeah. And then people, it's like even with the ICE raids, people are like, "Yo, retweet this so people know what to do if you see an ICE raid." Excuse you?
How? What is that?
Let me go yell at an ICE agent. Yo, you can't do that. Guess what happens to me, a black man?
Ooh.
Guess who is now also in the detention center?
Yes.
Yeah.
What? Your parents are from where?
Yeah. Jamaica.
Oh.
So you technically not. I'm like, what?
I mean, but I was
Yo, grab Barrington. I'm like, my name's not Barrington. Oh shit, cuffs.
Yeah. Don't even ask about me. My last name ends in easy.
So shout out to our fucking homie Aisha. She pointed it out. She was like, I feel like a lot of you people are retweeting the ICE instructions because you feel guilt because you know you should be doing more and you're not doing more. And if you were outraged as you were, we'd be in the streets. And I was like, yo, if she's telling us to overthrow the government, let's go.
Let's get it.
I think I've been ready.
Yo.
I'm still mad I didn't get a chance to wild during the LA riots.
She's
so
like,
go.
she's low key. She's like Pharrell. That even if she's saying something very,
Aisha Siddiqui, shout out her.
You know what I'm saying? She's very like even tone.
Yeah.
Like, yo, let's overthrow the government.
Let's do it.
And you'd be like, yo, that shit makes perfect sense. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Word. You know what I'm saying? We out here.
You gotta have a plan though. You gotta have a plan.
I'm sure she got one on Decky.
She does, but I don't want her getting in trouble and shit.
Yeah, true. Yeah,
know what I'm saying?
I'm
Allegedly.
sure she does not have one on Decky.
She does not, allegedly. But no, like, the thing is, like, what's going to replace the government?
True. Straight anarchy.
Do you want to run the government?
The division. Yeah,
I know. So the problem with America is America's so big. If the government of America got overthrown, there's no way it'd still be one country.
Oh, hell no.
It'll be like 6 countries.
Hell no. Bro, it would be like West Virginia would be its own country. Like, yo, New York and California would secede.
I think the Bronx would secede.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yo, if America ever falls, me and Miro, we're taking care of the Bronx. We got y'all.
We got y'all. You know what I'm saying?
We're building a wall around the Bronx to keep people out.
Wow.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna blow up the 3rd Avenue Bridge.
You know what I mean?
All that shit. Y'all not coming through.
That's
Cause we
right.
still attached to the main line. Like y'all niggas is fucked.
Yeah.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
They'll be like, President Jesus Nice has brokered a deal with the people of Yonkers. I will trade 4 boxes of Lens Crafters for radishes. Niggas like,
Yo, amazing.
yo, fucking Styles P is like, yo, we need that for the smoothie spot.
Word.
Yo, you know what that shit is.
Niggas better down with my size.
Yo, I have brokered a deal. We can now go to the Galleria Mall. We have free passage.
Oh, beautiful. Amazing.
That's not even a mall we like to go to no more.
It's incredible.
They're like, yo. This is the 13th day with a refugee camp set up at the Cheesecake Factory in Ridge Hill.
Unbelievable.
Like, oh, shit.
Oh my God. They're at the playground thing with the little metal guys.
Yo, the Bronxites have taken the Apple Store. First Apple Store, then the Container Store, then Libertad.
Oh, then REI.
They're like, how the Bronx people get up here?
Yo.
They're like, oh my God.
We all got in one Uber.
They're like, oh my God, it's so simple. The Beeline bus. They're taking the Beeline bus.
Oh my God, that's what it is. We got to cut off the Beeline bus. Yo, the Beeline bus is like still stuck in 1983, B.
Bro, the last time I took the Beeline bus was when I was going to visit my mother at Westchester, the Westchester Hospital?
White Plains Hospital?
White Plains Hospital.
Yeah, yep.
And that is the most depressing bus ever.
Yo.
Because that bus goes through a prison before it goes to the hospital.
Facts.
So you got to think about your life.
Imagine being in labor and being on the bus. Like, yo.
Made better choices, Mom.
Yo, that nigga don't love you.
That's just such a baby, though. You coming in rough. Listen, if you're a baby and you're born and your mother got a fucking transfer in her hand, ain't smooth sailing for you, little nigga.
You looking through your baby book 30 years later, the transfer's in there and shit. Like, Mommy, what's this? That's the transfer I took.
I remember you was born. It was weekend construction. Shit was lit. Shit was lit.
Shout out to White Place Hospital, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, shit.
You know what I'm saying? They saved your mom Dukes, you know what I'm saying? They delivered 2 of my children, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to them.
Where are the other 2? Have you ever had an at-home birth?
Hell no. Because my brother-in-law did that shit. My actual brother and my sister-in-law did that shit. And they were like, yo, we're not doing this shit again. Because they wanted to do the whole hippie parent shit and like, yo, use like washable diapers and like reduce the carbon footprint and all that other shit. And then you realize like, nigga, I got a little bit of money. I don't got to do all that. You know what I'm saying?
So you don't fuck with home births?
Nah, bro.
You're not trying to drink
some shit go wrong.
You're not trying to drink the marinara left in the bathtub afterwards? He's a masculine child.
No, but yo, medical professional in your family, RN, will tell you, fam, it is 1 trillion times smarter to go to the actual hospital and have your baby versus having them in a fucking inflatable bathtub in your crib.
I see that, but I see the counterpoint. Medical professional in my family. What about the professional cheap person? My father, he's like, just have the baby at home.
Yo.
They pay for babies in Africa.
He's like scrubbing into shit with Ajax before he's like, make sure the tub is clean.
Like the way my father tells the story of like our birth, he was like, yeah, your mother was picking mangoes and she just laid down in the field and had you. I was like, nigga, you out in the South Bronx. I was born in Lincoln Hospital. Where is the story coming from? I had to cut the umbilical cord with a machete. I'm like,
No,
sir, it was 1982. You had a Jerry curl,
That-
a flat. You were walking
yes.
around with a flat
Yes.
cardboard to do breakdancing. Okay, you were trying to start Electric Boogaloo Island Vibes 3. Breaking news.
Oh shit, what happened?
Vittorio Caruso, a retired pizza shop owner from Long Island, is reportedly the 10th American to die in the Dominican Republic this year. Speak on it, Miro. What's going on in your blood clot island?
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, if you buns, don't come through.
No,
You know what
that's
I'm
not
saying?
it.
If you buns, don't come through. What did it happen?
Is that in DR?
But like what resort?
No,
'Cause
I'm an American. We don't. It's all DR.
this
We're not going to no specific. We're not getting into the nitty gritty because people will be like, "No, that wasn't Mao." Like, nah, nigga, that's not a real place. That's the noise a cat makes. Okay. Also,
Yo.
the new slogan for traveling to DR is like, "Yo, if your buns don't come."
Yeah.
Is that what you?
Yo, straight up. Come for buns, but don't come if you buns. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
You know what I'm saying?
I'll be mad if I die. If you die in DR, you have to say a ghost in DR.
I mean,
Yeah.
there's better places. You know what I'm saying? There's worse places you could be a ghost. If you're a ghost in DR, you just out here drinking, get your dick
You
sucked.
can't
and shit,
drink. You
smoking
can't get your
hookah.
dick sucked. You just stuck in DR, nigga.
I mean, but you a
If
ghost.
you're from like Arizona, would you want to be a ghost in Arizona?
If you a ghost though, you could get your dick sucked because you don't got to worry about nothing because you're already dead. So it don't
Sound-
matter if you get chlamydia or
What
whatever
movie?
the fuck.
What relationship do you have with ghosts that so you think ghosts work?
Ghost dick.
Is that a Bill Cosby movie?
You know what I'm saying?
Remember, Bill Cosby had Ghost Dad, right?
Yeah, he did.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yikes.
I listen. I interpreted that shit completely differently. I was like, growing up in the hood, I was like, oh, Ghost Dad? Oh, yeah, I know a lot of
Oh,
those.
it's a real movie.
It's a biography.
Elliot Hopper, Bill Cosby, is a widowed single dad who's fixated on his family's financial well-being. He spends all his time working to secure a crucial business deal that puts his account in the black. However, this leaves his 3 children pining for his affection. After a fatal car accident, Hopper, now a ghost, must cinch the deal from the afterlife to secure his children's futures. Along the way, he discovers all the bonding he missed while he was alive.
That's creepy.
That was 1990.
Damn, 1990 was wild.
Bill
1990,
Cosby ain't even need that money in fucking
nah, he did not.
1990.
He did not.
Oh,
And
wait. Oh, God. He had 3 daughters in this movie?
Oh, boy.
Oh, things shit look different now, huh? Oh man. Oh my God, that's a great movie. Ghost. We gonna remake Ghost Dad. Remove all the Bill Cosby shit. It's about you and you're like working hard for your kids. You die on tour, and then like you take my body over, and I have to come and be the father of your kids.
Be like, what's going on?
But it's like you don't have total control of my body. You just have control of my body for like 12 hours, and I know when you're gonna have control. So I have to do like all my wilding out. And I'm like, I got 2 more minutes. Drink a mad beer and smoking shit. Nah, I don't want to go. I don't want to be a dad. Hey, Amari, how's it going?
Hey.
Let's throw the old pigskin around, De Lo Mio. It's actually a good movie.
Smoking hookah with the kids and shit. I'm like, no, that's not what I do. I'm inside the brain and shit, like not trying to get out. Like, no.
They're like, there's 3 minds in here. There's Jesus. There's I don't know who the third one. Take it easy. It's your boy, Big Time Tommy.
Hey, come on, bro. We just go fucking, smoke a little couple stogies,
I'm eating raw eggs and shit. No.
Hey, kids are watching Paw Patrol. Why don't you watch some Freestyle Fridays, huh?
Yeah.
How about that?
How about that?
How about
Hey, little girl, got your nose. Guess what?
Yeah, my diamond girl.
Diamond girl, you make me sing. If we just take freestyle songs and remake them and put the wild trap. Listen, people are stupid. Kids are stupid.
Oh yeah,
We could remake all these songs. Remake Diamond Girl, but with Future, and he's talking about, yo, I'll buy you diamonds, girl.
Yeah.
It's not that deep.
Boom, done.
It's not that deep.
I think we should just take the entire take a Bad Boy album that had like decent beats on it,
Yeah.
and that like is a lesser known out Bad Boy album. Take all the beats off that shit and just release a new album and pretend like we, you know what I'm saying, made old beats.
That sounds good. That sounds like a plan.
That's basically what Diddy did.
You know
So,
what I'm saying? Shout out to them.
I got a hangover for
We're
Sweet
gonna
Meat,
Diddy
bro.
Diddy.
Diddy.
You know what I'm saying? We're gonna pull a Diddy on Diddy.
You're gonna did in the middle of diddly, riddle some middleman who didn't do diddly.
Hip hop.
Oh man.
You know what I'm saying?
Real hip hop.
I don't know why I read.
Remember when Puff Daddy made a song, basically just trying to get
shit.
J-Lo?
Yeah. Oh yeah. He's like, yo,
Senorita.
yo.
I remember when my kid was a dad. I remember when I was a kid, my dad and mom would take road trips every summer from NC to Philly to visit family, and my dad would always play the No Way Out album. This was always my favorite song of the album. To this day, it reminds me of those trips. My dad's deceased now, and I miss him. Rest in peace, Pops.
Your pops was playing a No Way Out album on the way to Philly.
Imagine a Puff Daddy album is the way you think of your pops and shit.
I was like, yo, listen, fam.
Yo.
There might have been more than suitcases in that trunk.
What the?
Yo. Nigga playing a No Way Out? He said, what the fuck we gonna do now, huh? It's so fucked up now.
Where my niggas is at?
Where the fuck our niggas at? Where my niggas is at?
Oh, this reminds me of my pops. I'm about to realize shit.
From front to back. My niggas in the world, where the fuck you at? Yo.
Oh my god.
Yo, what was the track list on the album? That shit
had bangers.
Yo,
bangers.
nonstop.
Oh,
damn. What a moment.
Do you remember the budget for Victory?
It was like in the millions, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was one of the most expensive
cinematic
videos ever.
Yeah, I know why. Nigga was releasing dubs.
$2,700,000.
God damn.
It's listed as one of the most expensive music videos ever.
That shit was a movie. Imagine
was
asking
good.
a record label now, like, yo, let me get $2 million for a music video. And niggas will be like,
Yeah, that shit is not happening. That shit is not happening. Okay?
yeah, like Vince Staples says, ain't no money in music, cuz.
There is no. But you know what?
Yo.
But still, the best version of Victory is what?
Talk to him.
Nigga,
Play it.
I want the shit.
Rock that shit.
Nigga.
Fuck that survey, fucking YouTube.
All right, get the bundle.
Let's go.
Oh shit. I don't know how this shit work. You remember this shit? When you was on Guy R. Brewer.
Oh, man.
I don't know. This is not working. Fuck it. You know how it is.
Yeah, yeah, cool. Right there on God, bro. Why?
Nothing sadder than when you think you got. Ah, there we go.
Oh, here we go. Hey.
Lloyd Banks, Victory Freestyle featuring 50 Cent. You know what I'm saying? Back when your father was on 42nd Street, might have cut a nigga at Barcade.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Banks low-key smoked this shit.
Lloyd Banks is the Vince Carter of rap.
Yo, facts.
Off the rip.
Facts.
Off the rip. He still
Facts.
got it.
Mad underrated. Still got it.
You know?
Still out rap circles around your favorite MC.
I'm hotter than the payphone in front of the both Jacob.
Come on, B.
Listen, come on. You're not beating lines with that.
Come on, man. I ain't a wrestler, but I put your bitch in a Boston Crab.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying?
And that was 20 years ago, dog.
Come on.
That was 20 years ago.
Yo, straight bullets to burn a nigga sideburns off.
Nigga said you're uglier than those Master P sneakers, which were ugly as fuck. Master P, what the fuck were you thinking?
Come on, son.
Nigga say,
No, this shit ain't never gonna pop like 10 gold chains. That's why your bitch blowing on me like Nintendo games. Woo! Bars, nigga,
All right.
bars.
Meanwhile, Kendrick's like, black people come. Nah, fuck that. Niggas don't want
I
positivity.
want your bitch blowing on me like Nintendo games.
Okay, you're not
That's what I
beating
want.
Also, can we get a quick applaud
That's right.
for my man, Jim Jones and who?
The Capo.
Jim Jones and Summer Miami with Trey Songz.
Ooh, Summer in Miami.
Listen, when Trey, because Jim Jones' part was hot, but when Trey Songz came through, with
man.
the Summer with the hot life flow.
Yo, boom. Nigga,
Top Joe.
fam, you could be with 6 niggas in the Civic with a broken AC.
Bottles in the air. Bottles in the can. This is peak cornrow R&B.
Hell yeah.
This is for all my niggas.
Hell yeah.
This is when this is for all my chicks out there. Like, if you ever had to take a nigga, if a nigga ever took you to Miami, you knew he was scamming.
You know what I'm saying?
You knew he was scamming.
You knew he
You
was
cool
scamming.
with it. Every time that nigga pull out a credit card, got a different name on it. and
Every
shit.
time, bro.
That nigga cross his fingers when he like running the shit.
Nigga got
Yeah.
flavors. He pulling shit out look like fucking a pack of now laters. He's like, what, you want the Amex Gold?
Pick
I got
a card,
a Visa.
ma. Pick a card,
You know what
ma.
I'm saying? I got the Capital One shit with Samuel L. Jackson on the front. What's up?
You know what it is? Listen, you gotta let niggas prosper. And just because you in a position where you can't let niggas prosper, you can't block them.
You know what I'm saying?
You ever saw the Hunt for Red October?
The movie?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant like trying to get the sneakers.
No. Done for October. The whole part of that, the whole point of that
Denzel
movie
was in that shit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause remember, the whole movie was about a sub.
Yeah. Yep.
A sub.
Yeah. Yeah. The sub. Yeah. And at the end, and what was the old washed white dude's name that was in that shit? That like
Wasn't it the guy from
Sean?
Sean? No, it was
was it Sean Connery?
no Hunt for Red.
Tim Robbins?
It was the other white guy that we all know. It
Harrison
was
Ford?
Harrison Ford, I believe. Fingers crossed. I believe in the thing called. Oh, Sean Connery. You're right.
Sean Connery. There you go.
I believe in a thing called love.
You know what I'm saying?
Justice is the rhythm of my heart. I believe in a thing called love. That was an amazing song.
Yo, shout out to the Darkness.
Oh, my
Are they a
God.
one hit wonder or did they have another joint?
I believe they had another one after that.
This is the rhythm of my heart.
That was listen.
that
There's
was a-
certain songs you hear and you're just like, yo,
That was a mayonnaise
my
bop.
niggas brought it.
Yeah.
Damn, that was 02?
Yeah, that was a
Niggas
mayo
old as
bop.
shit.
That was-
Okay, I hit the link for Darkness on Wikipedia and it was like, yo, nigga, shit is dark, nigga. The polar opposite of blackness. Ain't nothing else to see. I was like, all right, Wikipedia.
Shout out to you.
You see the attitude? That's why niggas don't donate shit to you. Wow. Wow. They're still on tour. No.
Oh,
Really?
really?
No, they still are.
Oh, shout out to them.
They still on tour. You know who else is still on tour? Bodega Boys coming to live to you. And seeing you. Come to Miami.
July 12th, y'all. You know what I'm
And
saying?
look how Meryl
You know
dresses.
what
Look how
I'm
Meryl
saying?
dresses in cities that's not even opulent.
You know what I'm
Imagine
saying?
if he's in actual Versace world.
Yo, I get to Miami, I just start talking like Khaled. Yo, I'm not checking no bags. You know what I'm saying? Cause we the best. You know what I'm saying? Bodega Boys #1. We the best. Ain't nobody fucking with us. You know what I'm saying? Don't lose focus. You know what I'm saying? Stay humble. You know what I'm saying? I laying down with the whole Versace suit. I got Versace slippers.
Let them know. Maybe.
Yo.
I was going to apologize because I was under the assumption. Someone told me this morning, Twitter troll, that Madonna is actually going to have the #1 album. This,
Oh, yeah?
yeah. No. Jonas Brothers or somebody. I
Oh,
don't know.
yeah. Joe Bros?
She's not even in the top 10. Maybe I'm reading the wrong thing. I don't know. But
No, you
if
can
I'm
read the right
wrong,
thing.
I apologize because now you have to apologize. We're back on our apology tour. Sorry.
Yeah.
We got our live tour coming, baby.
You know what I mean?
All we do on our live tour is apologize to niggas. So
To this day.
You know what I'm saying?
we apologize to niggas.
Yo, because niggas is pussy.
Whoa!
Because niggas is pussy. And you gotta be like, learn how to take a joke, stupid.
Let me ask you something. Growing up in the Bronx, how many times did you ever apologize?
Never.
The whole thing about apologizing, right? Now, like stay with me here. You have to be in the wrong.
Yes.
You have to feel you are in the wrong.
Yes.
No one could say you apologize.
Yes.
Correct?
That's absolutely right.
So if you don't get an apology, that means you didn't feel you were in the wrong.
And it has to be something that is objective. Like, yo, I crashed your car. My fault, my nigga.
That's right.
Not, yo, your SoundCloud shit. It's not really hitting, my nigga.
I feel you.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
It's not how it works.
You know what I'm
Not how
saying?
it
But
works.
niggas get in their bag.
Every now and then you have a moment, and it's just like, yo, me and Miro, we are in the street. No, we're not in the industry.
Nah.
We in the industry.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day,
Yeah, we're orbiting. We're in the industry, nigga. We in the streets.
the industry, we still in the streets, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Still in the streets.
Catch me alive.
It's not even like on some fun. It's not like bragging, like, yo, I still be in the hood. Like, nigga, we still be in the hood.
still be in the hood.
Like, unfortunately, like I
You know
don't.
what I'm saying?
Nigga, I would rather be doing high tea with Sarah Jessica Parker. I believe.
Yeah.
Can't do that, nigga, because I gotta go see Poppy at the Bodega tonight to get 4 entourages and a 6-pack of Becks.
You know what
and
I'm
you
saying?
can't get that at Whole Foods. So guess what? You're gonna see me at the Bodega.
You feel me?
Okay.
When you catch me on 10th Ave and fucking 30 something, you know what I'm saying? Getting fucking platanos and shit. You know what time it is, bro. And I'm jumping out the truck with the chains on. I don't give a fuck. Niggas show love in the hood.
You see Jesus out there, and I got mad cat hair on my chest. You know what I'm saying? That means
Pay homage.
I didn't do the lint roll because I don't give a fuck, nigga.
That's right.
I'm not Jesus right now. Okay, I'm civilian D. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Wasn't that the name of what's the name? Jack Black's thing? Civilian D?
Tenacious D.
Ah,
Yeah.
only said that so y'all know Victor's in the building, the fat guy. Yeah, you know what it is. You know what I'm saying?
El Facto.
No facts get unchecked while he's in here.
Contacto con los factos.
That's
You know what I'm
right.
saying?
It's our new show coming to Univision.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to you. Univision has the strongest transmitter in the world because
Bruh.
even if you don't have a fucking rabbit ears or whatever, that shit comes in crystal clear.
Yo, I was
that shit was
like-
coming in HD before HD.
Before HD?
How?
I'm like, yo, how can I see Don Francisco's jowls in HD for him in 1998?
That's
You know what I'm saying? It's just crazy. It's just wild, B.
Oh
You know what
boy.
I'm saying? Goddamn.
Well, you know.
But
Listen,
yo,
all we
you know
can
what
do, is keep our heads down.
Yeah.
Promote the brand.
Yeah.
And just keep doing our thing.
Keep it strong.
Keep it
You know what I'm
strong.
saying? Keep it strong out here.
Remember, everyone, being famous looks good. It's not. It's not. As Noriega said, the problem with being famous is the same niggas you could have open-handed slapped before you were famous, they could sue you now.
Yeah.
That's all that shit is, bro. That's all that shit is.
That's the whack shit. That's the whack shit. Because being from where we're from, you know what I'm saying? It's not that we automatically resort to violence, but you know what I'm saying? You talk to a motherfucker, and if they get out of pocket, then you gotta slap them.
Because that's the easiest way. You know what? You slap somebody, they learn.
Yeah.
If someone says mad court injunctions, they don't learn because they're in that bubble. Mm-hmm. Sometimes you gotta hit a nigga.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying you should hit us, because also being from the Bronx, if you were to hit us, that doesn't end there. Like,
Yeah, no, it continues. It's like it's like
oh, it only continues two. It continues 2 terms.
yeah.
You get my drift.
It's cyclical.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It comes back. You feel me? Like all week.
They come at you with a bat, you come at them with a fucking gun.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
And that wasn't from a movie. That was my gym teacher.
You know what I'm saying? Straight up.
That was something we practiced in gym.
There was a very good Styles P quote that I feel like could easily be pulled up on YouTube very quickly. And all it is just, if you type into YouTube, Styles P Durag,
Is a quote or a song?
it's from a song. It's him performing, but he gives a message to the audience that I feel like is very appropriate for this moment. Cut the music off. He's like, cut the music off. He told the DJ, cut the music off. I got a message for y'all. For the motherfuckers.
Throw something the fuck at me. Word to my fucking mother, I'm gonna come smack the shit out of you.
That's right. Shout out to Styles P. Remember,
You know what
he
I'm
went to jail for stabbing a nigga in the butt.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, you want
He
those
got-
problems?
He got more to say.
Okay? He made a juice bar now. He's living that peace. But remember, the peace sign upside down is just a fork in your back.
You know what I'm saying?
Is that? I don't think that's true. I don't know. That's not even like, I don't know what a fork looks like.
It don't even matter because it sounds mad deep.
It sounds mad deep.
It sounds like I immediately envision like one of the barbecue joints with the 2 tongs.
Oh, yeah, that's it?
Yeah.
The double stitch fork?
Yeah.
Can you stab a nigga with a spork? I don't think it's the same.
Nah.
Spork.
But public schools are smarter than we thought.
You know what spork? That's like the whoever made the spork, that was a bold nigga.
Yeah, right?
Yo, he was like, yo, it's quiet for you, fork and spoon. I want my
nigga,
blocks back.
Combo, boom,
Combo.
whole lot.
No one came out with a fife.
Nope.
Nope. Never seen that shit.
Shit.
Okay.
God damn.
Never seen a skiff. Sniff.
A sniff.
A spoon knife. I don't know.
Spoon knife? Well, yo, what if? Nah, that's dangerous. I was gonna say, yo, you make a spoon, but the handle is a knife.
Wow, I'm enjoying the soup, and clearly my blood gushing into my own mouth.
You eating cereal and shit, just bleeding out. Like, yo, this is so ingenious.
Why would the Bodega Boys make new utensils? These are very terrible. I'm losing a lot of blood.
Our entire R&D department is just us smoking weed. Like, yo, son,
yo,
a snife,
a snife.
Yo,
I like that's right. Harry
yo,
Potter?
Victor, yo, call China, yo, make 10, 20,000 of them shits.
At least. Just like 4 months later, he's like, guys, your Smythe shipments. I'm like, what the fuck is a Smythe?
What's this? What is that?
He's like, you guys made like a spoon knife. I'm like,
When-
cancel
when?
the order. He's
When?
like, yeah, there's 6 metric tons of them on a freighter, and that's just docked in South Street Seaport. I'm like,
yo,
shit, I don't know.
I'll be like, fucking just put mad coke under the sporks.
Let's go.
The snipes.
Shout out to that drug bust that was like 6 tons of coke in Philadelphia.
Fam.
That was in the news for one day.
Yeah. What happened to that coke?
No one investigated shit.
Yeah, niggas in Philly was like, no. What
Everyone in
coke?
Philly was like, I'm gonna take some of these Johns.
I'll give it to my young bull.
Just Questlove like,
put on
this
the
nigga
block.
drumming, kicking that shit, his kick drum and shit. You're not low, Quest. Imagine you trying to get mad drugs into the country. You didn't get caught, and you know you're not gonna get caught, but you still like, fuck. And you in a bad mood all day, but niggas don't know why.
Yeah, you just sitting there like, yo,
what's you?
nah, I'm good.
Yo, you don't want to make love, daddy?
Nah, I'm a little stressed.
What happened? Why you know?
Nah, you know what I'm saying? It's just shit be happening, you know what I'm saying?
What, like
you know what I'm saying?
you cheated on me?
Bitch, I got 6 tons of cocaine in the fucking pork. God damn it.
Hi, I'm John Taffer. Work on the marriage rescue. It seems what you say You have 6 tons of cocaine. That means you are emotionally impotent. Shout out to John Taffer. Marriage Rescue might be one of the worst shows I've ever seen in my life. Stick to rescuing bars, my nigga.
Fam, I'm like, yo, how do you go from bar rescue to
He didn't
marriage
show up
rescue?
to the last 15 minutes. Like,
Yo, fam.
me and Meryl we could rescue your marriage.
Come on, son.
I'm like, oh, I see the problem. Your wife is an OD dub.
That's the problem.
Okay.
Well, what we're gonna do here is
She's like, can I do like a makeup? I'm like, no, sweetheart.
No.
Oh, bless your soul. No, like you're a dub from ground floor.
Yeah.
Like you can put all the makeup on, you still a dub, nigga.
We gotta send you.
Like
the
you just gonna be a
DR,
dub
man.
in Fashion Nova.
Like, yo,
your best bet would be open relationship.
yeah, man.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Like, yo, ma, you ugh.
Damn.
Like,
Like, how the fuck did you even? Like, how did y'all even? You didn't see Shorty like
Like,
before?
yo.
Like, was it a far away photo? Like, was it Tinder? Like, how did y'all even
nigga,
link
you look
up?
like a tagged photo in real life.
Like, god
my
damn,
God.
bro.
Were you not ready when God said make your face?
What's going on with your head, B? Did you
God.
just get off Space Mountain?
And the guy's like, I told her. Like, okay.
Nigga gaslighting the shit out of
But we
Shorty,
feel
like-
bad. We got to make her to the wild bad bitch.
Yo,
And he's
what
ready
was
for
the
her and shit?
show with the black? It was not Black
Pimp My
Swan.
Ride.
It was a show
Gentleman's
with
Court.
Nah, it was like a makeover show where they went like all out. Like they gave you like plastic surgery.
The Swan?
Was it the Swan? I think it was the Swan. Yeah,
Was
I
it the
think, yeah,
Swan?
that rings a bell. Because I said Black Swan, and I was like, yeah, nah, they
No,
ain't.
it
That's
was
Natalie Portman dancing.
The Swan, yes.
Yep.
Wow. Why do I know that? Oh my
Yes.
God, I'm going to die without knowing my home phone number. The Swan was a 2004 American reality series on Fox, of
Yep,
course.
of course.
Where women who were judged to be ugly were given extreme makeovers that included several forms of plastic surgery. The title of the series refers to the fairy tale, The Ugly Duckling, which a homely bird matures in a swan. The most offensive thing you could ever say to an ugly person is you're homely. Don't ever say that. Don't ever say that on a date. Be like, oh, she's cute, but she's homely.
She's homely.
Like she just cut your dick off and she's
like
in the right.
immediate. Yeah, nah.
Wow.
A judge
Aired for
throw
2
that out.
seasons?
Yeah, fam.
Wow. The
They
show
ran out of-
received universally with negative reviews for encouraging women to base their self-worth on their appearance and normalizing cosmetic surgery. However, the women that were on it turned into bad bitches and got mad Instagram followers now. I added the second part.
They're all selling 50. I added that part.
If
as
we
well.
reversed it and we made like guys get mad surgery, maybe we're cool with that.
Oh, yeah.
Double standard.
We could do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. We could definitely freak that. Oh, we could be the first guys. Well, this thing already got abs. Fuck out of
Yeah.
here.
You know what we gotta do?
Don't
The
make
hard way. we gotta do a show called Blackfishing, and we introduce like mad pale white girls, and then they tan, and we can see if like our guy Nick can pick them at the end because like who's all these black girls?
Yo,
They're taking the mad problematic IGs and shit.
Bang, bang, bang.
Just catching some sun in the UK. Like no, Chelsea.
Yo, shout out to Nick because like
Shout out to Nick because we have no reference of The Bachelor.
exactly.
I don't even know what channel it comes on.
Exactly. And like he's mad cool and humble and down to earth and shit. But then when you walk out or hop out of an Uber in LA with the motherfucker, it's like, oh my God, nigga. Yo.
Also, shout out to everyone that's like, he's a piece of shit. I'm like, you think we hang with him like that?
Like
nigga, he live in like Oklahoma or some shit. I don't know.
I mean, like,
I see him for like 10 minutes.
also, like, are you basing his persona on a reality show? Or,
That's the wildest part.
do you know what I'm saying?
That is-
Like, because yo, shout out to Cheryl. She broke it down for me. She told me that he was on Bachelorette and he got kicked off, and then he just like came back like, yo, fuck it, I'm coming back. I don't care that you kicked me off. And then he was like Hulk Hogan. Remember Hulk Hogan was like good, and then he turned like bad. He joined NWO, so he was like a dickhead for like one season. This motherfucker was on there for like 4 seasons. I was like, yo, he made that shit
He
work.
did a lot of shit.
Yeah, it's
Listen,
like,
don't listen to online. You know why?
Yeah.
Online is nothing but Babylon ting
Babylon
full of
ting,
lies.
yo.
My aunt from England called me and said, "Did you get married?" And I was like, "Excuse you?
What?
Apparently, this website, if you scroll down, it has a picture of me and my wife. Excuse me.
That is Corey Gamble. Hello. With who? With one of the who's that?
It's like, is that Kim or Chloe or one of them?
Oh my God.
Come on.
Yo.
So now they're just like,
Oh, you doing good, baby. You doing good, daddy.
besides that, he shared a picture with a girl on Instagram on 11 November 2006 where he captioned, "Chilling with Bae." Afterwards, rumors regarding his affair with an anonymous lady swirled around the internet. However, he never confirmed his relationship publicly. That's not me!
What the fuck?
That's another black guy with a goatee.
Yo, wow.
What the fuck?
And my man got the full beard now, too, dog. Like,
No,
come on.
You know who I was the most mad at? I don't know. My aunt? That's not me. The fuck? And that's from 2016.
Yo.
People get weird. And they was
Yo,
she was like mad about she didn't go to the wedding and shit. I'm like,
excuse me?
nigga.
Excuse me, miss.
Respect my secret family.
Yo, shit.
Shit's a mess.
Corey Gamble.
Have you ever Googled to see what your net worth is?
I think I did once and it was like not available, but they got all the other info. They're like, yo, this nigga lives here. He's married to a Jew. Like, and they said it like that. Like, he's married to a Jew from like New Jersey. I was like,
you say it a lot
damn.
though. That's like a direct quote, nigga. All right. Kid Mero, what's his net worth? What the fuck is his net worth? What's his net worth? What's his net worth?
Well, they got it.
Hey, a mil.
$1 million?
A milli.
Oh, shit.
Hey!
A milli.
Shout out to my guy. You made it.
A milli.
My man Miro's out here. A milli. My man is a millionaire man. My man is out here with the verified Google live facts.
Yo.
You know what they say? The marathon continues. Niggas watching your pockets.
Yo, chill, bro.
You know, Agent Johnson watching your shit. Like,
He's watching my shit. But I don't want to fuck around too much. I don't want to get back. You know what I'm saying? Wilding out. You know, you get too rich, you start doing mad drugs and shit.
Nah, I don't know.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't
like
know.
that's what happens on Hollywood. Like you see it. Like it happens. Like I'm not saying us, but to other celebrities out there. Like you see them, they get a little bit of bread, they get wild, strung out.
That was never gonna happen to me,
You know what I'm
because
saying?
if I get super rich, what I'm gonna do is use my platform to block other people who are on their way up
That's smart.
from being anything.
That's smart. You know what I'm saying? That's very smart. You know what I'm saying?
Because that's the best way. Instead of actually putting out good product,
Yeah.
I'll just block people who were criticizing me for not being good.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Super easy.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, if Derek Jeter was still playing baseball and he had a weak throw to first, and I said, hey, Derek Jeter, maybe you should stop throwing to first. And Derek Jeter was like, you can't come to Old Timers Day. I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
You're banned.
Because-
And you know what? Actually, you're banned from Yankee Stadium.
Makes sense, right?
And Marlins Stadium.
Yeah.
You know why?
Right.
Because I'm Derek Jeter. And
That
I'm
makes sense.
the best ever, even though I'm 40 and I'm still playing and I shouldn't be.
Listen.
But fuck you.
You know what they say? Everybody in 313.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is.
Yeah. That's, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, nah.
Listen.
Listen, but I just want to make sure that we, as a unit, you know what I'm saying, keep this shit going, keep the longevity going. I don't
what's
want to have to
always
go through like
CB.
addiction,
Victoria.
recovery, relapse. You know what I'm saying? Like we don't have to do all of that. You know what I'm saying? Not trying to do all of that.
You know, you're not trying to make a podcast this too when you're going through rehab after you've solved in Gulf War.
You know what I'm saying?
But as CB, Victor and Victoria have always said, the brand is always strongest. Anyway, bodegahive.com.
Bodega.com.
Live shows. You know what I'm saying?
We out here.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying? Miami, Austin, Dallas, Houston. You know what I'm saying?
See the boys live with no gatekeepers. You know, what I'm saying? You know what I mean? See them when you want to see them, not when other people allow you to see them.
Yeah. You know
so
what,
good,
feel
baby.
me? You know what I
So
mean?
good. Why are we messy? I blame Andy from Bravo. Okay? We saw him. We had a couple of drinks with him. He got a new baby. We don't know how to act.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Remember when the lady was like, Andy, where's your baby?
Where's
he was
your
like,
baby?
He was like, at home.
I'm going to work.
Shout out to Andy. That's so wild. The idea, I was just like, yo, we are really sitting up on Watch What Happens Live, chilling with Andy from Bravo, who we actually know.
You know what I'm saying?
We've overextended the brand.
Fam.
So if anyone wants to get in the fucking way
You
of
know
the
what I'm
brand,
saying?
nigga,
Ooh, nigga, don't catch a Thanos snap, nigga.
we don't even do ooh anymore. Remember that was the thing? Ooh. With Young M.A.? Damn.
Damn, shout out to Young M.A. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
I liked your Tatiana remix. It was good.
Yeah,
it was good,
I
yeah.
don't listen to remixes. That's against us. It's a haram. I can't do that. Like I need my hip hop authentic.
Yo, I need my hip hop authentic. Yo.
No, yesterday I think Bomani Jones, like shout out to the homie. He was like, yo, I think he said some De La Soul had like the best sketches ever, and I wanted to come through like actually the best sketches ever were Prince Paul, Prince of Thieves, but that's like the wild deep cut.
Yeah, it is a deep cut.
Like,
and
you do
that shit was
niggas
like a movie.
hip hop.
Yeah. Niggas had that shit on vinyl.
Let's turn
Anybody
that to a
that
real
owns that
movie.
record, yeah.
We can turn that into a real movie and get the actual people.
Yep. Shout out to MC Search for being the cop.
That's
You know what I'm
right.
saying?
Remember MC Search and them? Their beef with MC Hammer.
I think so.
Yeah.
Remember when MC Search had that fucking white rapper show on VH1?
I remember that.
Yo, wow. What
See, all
happened to
these
those
things seem
dudes?
like they were 5 years ago and they were like 15 years ago.
It's wild.
It's so weird. And now if you think about your mind, you remember that stuff, you don't remember anything in the last decade. Think about it. But I challenge this. Was TV better in the last decade? Because the shows on VH1, the shows on MTV, they stood out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Or those shows about like, what was it? Like the one where like you go through people's lockers and shit. Or like all that.
Yeah.
And now like what they have? Like Love and Hip Hop fucking lower
fucking Lower East Side.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, Real Housewives of
Silver
Staten Island.
Spring. Like,
Yeah,
what
like,
the fuck?
oh,
Nobody wants
God.
this shit. This shit's not, it's no longevity here,
You know what
bro.
I'm saying? Come on, dog.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I want some shit, 100 episode syndication shit, B.
I walked into expectations they were gonna disrespect me and my husband Mims, not on my watch. I'm like, I'm not watching that shit.
Watching this shit. You got Joel Santana arguing with Mims? I ain't what?
He's like, this is why I'm hot. I'm like, oh,
The
Jesus.
waitress is like, oh God, he's doing
Here
it
we go,
again.
God.
Oh my God. Fuck.
Oh my
Jesus
God.
Christ. Oh my God. Oh shit, is that Nene Leakes?
He's like, no, excuse me. Mims with like Everlasting Brunch.
Oh.
I'm like, nah, nigga, like I don't even know who you are. Like, you gotta tell me more. Like, what do you
do?
Like, why are you hot?
What why? What do you do? Like what's your
I'm Mims, nigga.
What's your like what makes okay, that we've established that.
I'm Mims, nigga.
That's been established. I understand that you are Mims.
Yo, someone play my instrumental. Someone let her know.
So okay, so instrumental. Are you a pianist or a violinist or? Oh, this you?
This a bitch. This is why I'm hot.
Oh, this you? Oh shit!
I got an 800 SAT.
Oh shit!
Credit score 730.
Okay.
Okay. Every time I swipe my MetroCard, the first time I goes through.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? I have express limited edition copy of Spawn 1.
Okay.
Laminated.
You got any other songs besides this one?
Nah, don't worry about the songs.
Oh.
Yo, I still got an iTunes Pepsi code.
Oh, what?
From 2000.
From the cat?
Yeah.
Oh, so I can just like get a free song?
Yeah.
Oh, let's get it.
A Black Eyed Peas song.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Okay. Yo, one time I went to Burger King. I ordered fries. Nigga, I got an onion ring.
Woo.
Check my resume, nigga.
Did you go back and ask what the
Yo,
zesty
nigga, get out
sauce?
from in front of the line, Mims.
Yo, what the fuck?
You even remember
Yo,
what
Mims, you don't got your hairnet on.
Do you remember what Mims stood for?
Man, I'm making shit up. I don't know. I have no idea. I just know motherfuckers are watching the
Music is my savior.
Oh wow!
See?
Was he a
And
Christian rapper before
no,
that?
but he can be. Mims, come join our
Mega church. Let's get it.
Come join our mega church.
You know what I'm saying? You could be like a mega church / synagogue. You could be the cantor.
You could be after the guy from You could be after the Stevie B when he does the whole
Oh my God.
God save me from heroin, from AIDS, from crack.
Jesus love, come back to me.
Right, it's right there. It's
Right,
right
there,
there.
B. Come
But you
on,
know who's
son.
before him?
Who?
I love you, Jesus Christ.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, Jesus Christ! Yo, Jesus Christ! I love Christ! It's my nigga Christ!
for Christ.
Ah, cooking up for Christ! Yeah, Christ! Jesus Christ! That's my nigga! GFC! Jesus Christ! I'm like, God damn, yo!
He loved
Shout out
Jesus.
to the Mexican dude in every movie. The nigga that, what was that guy's name? The guy in Training Day. He's literally the fucking Mexican guy in every movie. Oh, he's a baldy and a mustache. That's it.
I forgot.
Victor's like, yo.
Victor's like, yeah.
This one.
He's
Was
like,
he,
I'm out of this
Victor
one.
was like, was he in an indie?
Andy Ruiz Jr.
Andy Ruiz Jr.
That sounds good. That sounds good.
He was the guy from Training Day that had him in the bathtub and shit.
In the bathtub, you like to get wet.
Yeah, man. It's like, yo, you ever had your shit pushed in, Holmes?
Hey, I'm like, I actually have not, but I mean, like, buy me a drink first.
I'm like, yo, this is LA. It's just about energy,
I just
man.
remember I threw my drink on the floor. So during a very impassioned speech that we were subbing someone, we can't discuss it because that's Hollywood.
Yeah, Hollywood. Motherfuckers get
And
mad.
we can name names, but you know who'd be disappointed? CB, Victoria, Victor, and
Yes, they
Sherry.
would. Yes, they
Shout out to
would.
Sherry.
Because they know that we are on the road to, you know what I'm saying? And we
right.
can't stop the train, y'all.
Listen, too many people eat. There's too many people. Too many people in this room eat from us,
You know what I'm saying?
and we're not trying to stop the buffet. You
No.
feel me?
No.
Okay, and we won't
No.
rest. We will not rest until Chipotle is serving breakfast. It's not my business if you want a burrito bowl at 9 a.m.
don't care.
But it's my goal to allow you to be a fat fuck.
That's right.
And enjoy that shit.
Put some scrambled eggs in your shit.
Not scrambled eggs, just straight
You know what
sour
I'm saying?
cream and fucking rice, nigga.
Yo.
Fall asleep during your 9:30 meeting.
Whole lot. Guac is not
Yeah.
extra, B.
Yo,
Changing
900
the culture.
900 milligrams of sodium before you even take coffee.
That's right.
I love that.
Throw some Takis on top of that shit like a savage.
Matter of fact, throw a margarita in there. Yo, it's been episode 163.
163 shots to your dome.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
All I'm saying is free almond fest.
Yeah,
nigga. It's your boy
Yeah.
D's Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Say Fat Like Terrio, aka Pocket Free Fat Like what?
Ooh, here we go.
That's right. Listen, we just leveled up. We're gonna bump heads one day, my nigga.
Yup.
Redacted. Some of them I know you bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Ninos with Arando, 1994 in Nueva York. I'm getting that white shit racist people getting inside their
Oh,
mouth
shit,
with the
goddamn.
managers.
I wonder why.
Shit's disgusting. Mikhail going off. The Juve boss. MC Lugopi. Putting up for 40 with your shorty. AK, don't talk to me in the old pool.
I don't fucking know you.
I don't know you. I'm not trying to learn you. I don't care to know you.
care,
You know
dog.
what I'm saying? The original
Hey,
one
what
plus
are you,
one.
whoa. What are you listening to? I definitely am not talking to you now.
Tame Impala, bro.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. That's cool. I thought it was something else. I thought it was something else.
Put up for 40 with shorty. Oh, we did that already. My original plus one got plus one. So I'll make a fuss ton. As a matter of fact, if I call IDPR or ICM or God forbid Victoria, you nigga, you gonna be fired. Okay? Let me tell you something.
Victoria have you in a full Nelson, nigga.
I don't give a shit. Listen, nigga. I don't give a shit whose birthday it is. All right? I know Miro since day one. His son gonna say I can't come to his birthday party. Yo, fuck that little nigga. Let me talk to Heather.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, Victoria, handle my shit.
You know what I mean?
Nigga. Yes, me and all 20 of these niggas is coming in here. I don't give a fuck if it's Patterson Water Park. The fuck? Nigga.
Yo, we'll never make the news again.
You know what I'm saying?
They gonna shoot you.
Victoria gonna shoot you.
You know what I'm saying?
Victoria's like, yo, what? I got you, boss. Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, what's up? Nigga, I'll pull it up at fucking the synagogue with wild ham sandwiches. Yo, Miro told me y'all eat these.
Love the show. Seems to me you haven't made a mistake here.
Jermaine Avocados, Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa, and I mean the one in the cartoon one, not the one, the CGI one. You know what I'm saying?
That fake joint.
Because I saw the CGI one. I want to see Mufasa's brain spill for real.
That's right.
I want to see a fucking what kills him. It's
the wildebeest stampede.
I want one of them kick him in the head. I want to see mad blood on the fucking camera. Make that shit look like children of men.
Yeah.
Make that shit one steady shot.
You know what I mean?
Make that shit win some awards.
Mad
you know what I'm
gory and
saying?
shit.
Make
You know
that
what
shit
I'm
have a word ending where I don't know if they live or die.
Exactly.
Okay. Hakuna Matata. It means cut it off. Young Shakuni, we're at the Kuni, aka Chili Moan, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Kalo K. Did you see me at Old Timers game? I was not there because I don't get paid for that.
Oh shit!
Fuck
Yo,
that.
Mariano hit a single in the park home run. Though.
Mariano Rivera said, they were like, do you miss playing baseball? He was like, no, I left it all on the field. That's the same fucking lie I'm going to say from now on every time I do an interview. Every podcaster left it all on the field.
That's right.
It's not true at all.
Nah,
3 phone Jones.
mad more.
I can't even find my third phone and I'm still paying T-Mobile. I'm tight.
Fuck this.
Steve calls me every week like, Jesus, what are you doing? Get your life together. Jesus Ek Machina. Jay Chuckles. I'm the only ghost that does not have a reference on the child sex offender registry in Long Island. Hire me.
Holla.
Benzo the Clown has some disputes, and I think you guys need to look into it. He's getting very popular on the Eastern Speedboard. I would like to also point out, every time Benzo the Clown performs, people report opioids missing. Okay? If you see Benzo the Clown, let me... Oh, shit, Benzo. Oh, shit.
Hey. What are you doing?
Just doing a drop for my new clown ad.
I heard you say my name. I heard you say some things about me that,
no, Benzo?
they'd be considered, snitching.
No, Benzo.
In the urban
It's all
community.
good.
Shut the fuck up. Dead man tell no tales.
Oh, he shot me right in the big house. Stanley Cups, the human doctor. Stanley Cups. Shout out to the New York Rangers. Let's go, Rangers. Shout out to our new rookie, Kapow Kakao.
Yeah.
That's not how you pronounce his name.
But
That's how
fuck it.
I'm pronouncing it. Therefore, that's how the bodega pronounces it. All right? What's his name? Kapow what? Kakao.
That's right.
He's related to Kelly Kapowski.
That's right.
Yeah. Leonardo DiCaprio.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Talk to him.
You know what it is? It's a 240p because like my Pinot blurry.
Yeah.
Blurry Pinot is interesting.
Because the good thing about Blurry Pinot is that if you're like, yo, I want to watch an anal scene, you don't know what you're watching. You know
That's
what I'm saying?
true.
So you can pretend it's an anal scene even if it's not.
Also, because it's like so old, it feels dirtier.
Yeah.
It's like, yo.
Mad hair.
You're like, yo, she's a grandma now.
Yeah.
Nasty.
Yeah.
Nasty. She's probably in rehab. She probably regrets these videos.
Yeah. She's doing real estate and shit, and then she does a showing, and then the one of the dudes is like,
she's in the comments like, please stop pushing these up. I regret these days. You're like, yeah. Save the hard drive.
Weren't you in big wet butts too?
And you know I was. DJ Woolite, aka Listen to Washed FM. Yeah. Up next, we got real hip hop. Okay,
hip hop.
It's a little company I used to work for called True Criminal Records.
Oh shit!
All right, person probably listening to this shit. What? Yo, street smart, don't trust anyone. AKA my guy FT, fuck that, AKA full time.
You know what I'm saying?
First comment from Mateo Guzman. 3 years ago. YouTube. What does it say? This is real hip hop.
It was real, nigga.
Real hip hop.
Hip hop.
Real hip hop. Let me do a head spin. The Curry Goat, D Spice, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Scene Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Marino. You can't contain him. Put me in a box. Put me with some socks. Put me with some locks. Put me with some socks. Nigga, you can't contain me. I'm the Moreno.
That's right.
Asterisk, you can't contain me if I'm in DR, because I'm DR. They're going to beat me. All right. Human Mary, where's the job? Young Aaron, the race of provocateur. I'll just hit that, just be safe. Hedwig Buttpost, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on deck, the Mickey Squad, be Greg Popovich. Want to say it's just Chestnut Muhammad Gambi. Not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juice is impressed with you. Boy, never is. Woo. Never is. No. Never been pressed.
No.
Never been pressed about a podcast, about two podcast hosts from the Bronx. Yeah. I'm saying, you got platinum plaques. What you worry about me, daddy? But that's neither here nor there. Just checking the deck. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of news. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova Cast Nova. We made $5, $10, $10.
What you want?
Give me big money.
One upon it.
Only after my salute is Dipset.
You know what I'm saying?
Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left, Man's Mark Rizzuto. Shout out to RJ Barrett.
You know what I'm saying? The God.
Pride of Saga.
You know what I'm saying?
Coming to the next, leading us to the promised land.
Yeah.
And by the promised land, I mean 11 wins.
Yeah.
Mr. Southpaw, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D. Woo. OJ Simpson heard that and was like, oh, you got OJ? Nah, nigga. Not Orenthal. Nah, Orenthal. Also, if you name your kid Orenthal in 2019, you want him to catch a body. I'm sorry.
That's true.
David Yurman, are you going through a midlife crisis and you were taking your mistress to watch the Yankees? By David Yurman Jewelry.
That's right.
Oh, shit. I got a log on a piece of yarn. $500.
Let's get it.
Woo!
It was handcrafted by somebody in Maine.
These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. What? These expensive, these is bloody shoes. Yeah.
Oh.
Smoking Noah, I have no idea who I'm signed to, but somehow I'm still in the NBA.
Yo, fuck it. I think I'm on the Grizzlies now.
Andrew Cunanan, you know what I'm saying? Who wants to get shot in front of Versace's residence? Okay. Maybe Johnny Versace.
Hey,
AK Junior, Energy God Junior, come sit down, Palmy Charger.
Sit on it, no wireless charging, only penetration.
Call me Pet Cook, yo, bitch on. Freeze. Topic of gossip is Sayas. Shout out to 11791. Shout out to everyone in Sayas who's living the life that Euphoria is based on. AKA Grandpa Joe. Because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch that golden ticket. And if he scratches, you probably gonna get something nasty from his kitty litter box.
That's right.
It's your man Dead ID this morning, Sheriff. Be a mad shame if one of those 5 Instapots disappeared. Also, don't look at my stomach because I might be pregnant. Mr. Chopping that street easy with bad breezes like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asiatic will crack your back like automatic Mathematic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, and I'm reopening the shit with Baby Rodriguez. Street Mask Killer. Don't be illa. I'm mad drunk, so I'm going to use this snail trail sheet mask. The black Zach Morris, the Port Morris. Yo. Remember he used to be like, zinc and free shit?
Yeah.
All right, aka Problematic Babe.
Time out. Niggas are freezing. He's like, I'm trying to fuck Kelly Raw. What should I do? Nigga take out his big ass cell phone like
that was not with the plot lines. AKA your problematic bae. If you're a kid and she does not know your kid, just wait until 6 Brown Chicks exposes it.
Yeah. I shot the 6 Brown Chicks.
Up next, we have Loyalty and Brotherhood and the Kid Mirror.
Woo, Loyalty and Brotherhood. You know what I'm saying? Support the camera, aka the Human Durag Flap, aka Donovan Me Dab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt, loaded up the curb, hit your fucking Rottweiler, nigga, dent my bumper, keep it moving, I don't give a fuck. Aka I know fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? Aka no need to check the guest list, motherfucker. I am the guest list. I play Baloo and Tailspin, nigga, don't fucking touch me. Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga fucking pinky toe off, dog. Nigga, violin. Aka CC Dab Bathia, you know what I'm saying? Congratulations on your 250th win and 3,000 strikeouts. You are a motherfucking legend, my G. You know what I'm saying? Aka get into the shmoney and the schmuck is your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? Aka I got my motherfucking kids doing strength conditioning with fucking RJ Barrett. You know what I'm saying? Get ready for that season. You know what I'm saying? Cause why, nigga? Cause I'm a motherfucking dad of the year. Aka bitch smack beyond boy. Aka the Yayo Maradona. Aka dick in your baby tumble. You know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Aka David Trisdale. You know what I'm saying? Pow, nigga, take that for data. Nigga, Zion is overrated.
Yeah.
He might have type 2 diabetes already.
Look how he switched up on niggas.
You know what I'm saying? He's a little heavy. You know what I'm saying? He might get injured.
Don't you ride for me.
You know what I'm saying?
Switch side for me.
Nah, nigga, until you switch sides on niggas. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Zantana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel. Crash the zip car. Oh shit, it was a Honda Fit, nigga. I don't care. I'm running on the west side. AKA the Dominican Dagman Daddy, you know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my motherfucking card again, nigga. There's definitely money on that shit. I just called Steve. You know what I'm saying? Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking manager when he come up here and ask for quick selfies and ask me how Heather and the kids is doing, Cameron.
How are they?
They're great. They're actually great. You know what I'm saying?
I believe one of your sons just had a birthday.
Yeah.
Mazel tov.
Yeah.
He's a little man.
And triple double in the last game. Yeah.
That's great.
He's doing great.
That's great. Hate to be that guy. You have 16 items instead of 15 redder.
Oh shit. Oh.
I will let you slide, but you know, if I change the rules for you, I have to change it for everyone. So,
how about you shut the fuck up, Cameron, before I fucking call your manager, huh? You like your little Auntie Anne's cashier job, motherfucker? Huh? Kevin, whatever the fuck your name is.
Yeah,
put the fucking pepperoni pretzel in the bag and keep it moving, yo.
Every time you say that, you sound like Fat Joe. What's love? He's like, put the beat on. Put the fucking beat on. Do. What's love?
Yo, AKA.
Would it be about us? Would it be about us?
Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. I'll dagger your auntie on a tree when I do my West Indies tour, nigga. What the blood clot? Wanna rumble with me, huh?
Go ahead and your whole family.
Nigga. What?
You gotta say that in fucking the Wild Soft Chelsea boots.
You know what I'm saying? I got Chelsea boots, nigga. That's right. They got elastic on the ankles, nigga. I can fight. AKA late, no touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for?
Is it?
I can see it in your eyes that you're broke as a got fun. You know what I'm saying? Need that Tim Vocals remix, holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady, got my balls deflated like Bobby Kraft. You know what I'm saying? AKA Feel the Ass Tyson.
Feel 'em.
I want to explore your cosmos, my consensually, of course.
Always with consent.
You know what I'm saying? Consent boys in the building.
You know what it is.
You know
Shout out to my Laquapta.
You know what I mean? Word.
Laquita people.
We out here Laqueeping it. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap out on live. You know what I'm saying? Been doing this before you SoundCloud rap niggas. You know what I mean? AKA Friday Messi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? I fall asleep with the blunt lit, wake up with a hole in my shirt, don't give a fuck. You know why? Because I got mad shirts, nigga. What? You know what I'm saying?
That's right. Flex on all those people that don't have mad shirts. Take that part, Simpson.
Yeah, hold that. You know what I'm saying? Beetlejuice, suck my dick.
Beetlejuice.
AKA Zaniel Bettingfield.
Wait.
Yeah.
Beetlejuice.
Oh shit!
Wow!
No.
You gotta fight him.
Yo, nah, chill. I love Mix, yo. You know what I'm saying? That's my little boo. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zaniel Bettingfield. I gotta get some sticks. So I can survive my fucking life. AKA Joe Hookah, nigga. I dare you to smoke with me.
Where, sir?
At Mama Sushi with Mayor Booty. You know what I'm saying? We out here, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, no, listen. Just because, a black guy got shot. And the officers was just like, "Hey, put your hands up, nigger." Like, where's the racial impact on that?
I mean, we got to look at both sides here.
What if he was super woke until we took him to Mama Sushi?
Yo,
that changed his mind on everything. He was like, "No, I'm not an ally. Fuck this."
He's like, "Fuck this shit."
Drinking in the park.
He's like, "Maybe you should get in the park." He's such a shit with a hard R.
Come on, Showtime. Let's ruin your campaign.
Yo, holla. AKA, but nobody can ruin your campaign like the God.
Been bossing.
Thump.
My hands are gifted. I will surgically attach Kawhi Leonard's hands onto your hands so you can smack yourself in the face for doubting my surgical prowess. Look how long I've been flying under the radar with HUD. Niggas got me talking about Oreos. This shit is a layup. Let me ask you a question. What's the difference between a 4.0 and a 4.6? About 10 grand, cocksucker, beat it. Candy, get this nigga out of here.
Windchild Music Volume 3 coming soon.
You know what I'm saying? AK, I open your medicine cabinet. You know what the fuck it is, nigga. It's the Zen Man. You know what I'm saying? AK, Rico Sabroso. AK, Baby Newport 2.5. Niggas got garbage on the way. Them shits ain't even Newport, nigga. Them shits are Salem's.
Garbage.
You know what I'm saying? AK, Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. Got your shorty Bub Nilsey backing up the product. You know what I'm saying? Live from, and oh my God, this is amazing. He's making his return. Live from the front of the Capitol Diner on Kingsbridge Road, it's the East Tremont Stevie B, doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking and dope sick love, don't let me leave.
Chill. Stevie B might ban us from
Hold on, nigga. Okay, listen, mate. It's only 2 rock stars left, mate.
Who?
You know what I'm saying? It's only 2 rock stars left, mate.
Who?
Everybody else out here talking brazy about the brands, blackballing motherfuckers from shit. Suck our collective dicks. We are the Bodega Boys, the only 2 rock stars left on this side of the pond.
That's right.
So we're going to cross the pond, mate.
You know it.
You know
if one of us dies, the other one's going to snort the other one's ashes.
That's right.
That's we committed to this shit.
Yeah, we're going to snap one time.
Miro and Victor has to as well. Victor, Diana, and Victoria. You guys got to like sniff it. Fuck it.
Yeah.
We're going to get our Zendaya on. Let's crash that shit up. Like,
yo, just do it. Yeah. Yes, do it.
Yeah. You ever fuck with fentanyl? Yeah.
Niggas on the Kenneman. Hey. You know what I'm saying? The last rock star left, the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantains sipping over in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont.
Tremont's in the box.
Doing every show except yours cause you're buns. You know what I'm saying? Woo. Hold that. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met my friends this I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying?
Never.
AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, balancing his portfolio with moderate risk investments. It's Bormelos Anthony!
For 3!
Bang! You know what I'm saying? I just invested in some shit, some sunglass shit, nigga. I don't even know what it is, but it's tech glasses.
Yo, when you get a chance, let me talk to you about Enron.
Oh, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target higher than the Pelicans draft pick, motherfucker, approach me like an earth-sign mammal, nigga. Do not interrupt me while I'm eating sunflower seeds that I have not yet purchased. You know what I'm saying? I may react radically.
That's kind of a flex and kind of not.
You know what I'm saying? Hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll come through and have a grand old time while I urinate on myself at Flawless.
Benzo.
Yeah. Hey, balloon time, kids.
You doing the AK?
Are you? Hey, I gotta go. Bye. I'm keeping your deposit. AKA, so fake leans to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's on Suavitel and Fanta Grape, stupid. I got the Suavitel Food Bazaar, nigga, on 174. What's up? And I got a free bag of fucking Carolina rice with my purchase. You know what I'm saying? All my hood niggas know.
The bare minimum. The bare minimum.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? AKA, tírame la fucking pizza, coño, que bajé caliente hoy. Oye, que lo que está la vuelta que hay. Llegó el hijo Tito y Fifo, coño, feo lindo. Demasiado ratatá. Más pegado que un chicle en la butaca de tu escuela, coño, mamagüevo. Llégale a la grasa. Sigue tirando puya a mi país, coño. Va ese mamagüevo que están bajando los pasajes. You know what I'm saying? Si tú tienes miedo, cómprate un perro y un machete, cacoñema. Como se dice en inglés, my nigga, you pussy. You know what I'm saying? Siempre con la bandera alta como la nota, ya tú sabes. Cero busto, yo amo mi país y mi gente. Nos vemos este verano en el patio. Dominicana, say. Así que mamá me huevo por detrás si tú tienes algo que decir, loco. Tratando de fusilar a Big Papi y no pudieron. The brand is unstoppable, my nigga. You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is. Episode 163rd. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to that Bronx block. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
People from the BX.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, shout out Bodega High.
We can walk there. It's a lot of niggas that can't walk there. It's a lot of niggas that can't walk there.
Woo. You know what I'm saying? Could block us from your, can't block us from your life.
Ah.
Anyway, shout out to the Bronx. Shout out to Bodega Hive, BodegaHive.com. Be sure to get tickets
You know
there.
what I'm saying?
Be sure to check out our show on the only all black cable network, Showtime. Shout out to our Afro Creole fan, David Naveen.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, thank you for doing your big things. I don't know why they don't honor you at BET, but thanks for giving 2 black guys a
Shout out
shot.
to
We got our
word.
show
You know what
Monday
I'm
and
saying?
Thursdays, 11 p.m.
Respect.
You know what I'm saying? And last but not least, you know what I'm saying? Turn the fucking beat up.
Yes, oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Yo. Oh shit. Yo. Shout to DJ Hassan, you know what I'm saying? DJ Hassan is saying on the ones and twos, you know what I'm saying? We turned up the last week for the Friday, you know what it is? You know what I mean? We doing it real big, you know what I'm saying? Big things of wine, you know what I'm saying? I'm over here spilling Henny on my shirt, niggas besides y'all care.
Oh, man.
Doing it.
I think we're out.
Yeah, let's get the fuck up out of here, B.
Let's go get some purple pills.
Yeah,
We
let's do
gone.
it.
We out.
Yo, they don't even know the name of our band.